me dofo pa obi di hye what to say aje me so me da ase ene day enhira na me pa ma wo ekunimdie na me so ma wo yedie na me bom pa se ebeba akwamu akwansidie bia ese okwan emfiri ho na epun bia yatomo wo yedie mo no yemie ma ho ene so osomfoni tekotego metal Adom TV na me de nkranhyensem ebre wo na ensem no atifi sam ne say wise words of inspiration nyansansem a ehye nkran Mama Sha said, the sea is common to all. The sea is common to all. Some will just know how to swim in it. Others will also know how to just walk by it. Others will use it to create salt, whilst others will trade in it for fish. Epowe, edaho. Ubo the only ya wa promotion obabrunsuo no odware pono. Ubu also no answer obedi do wapo ano yenko no one ne yire ekoba ne mpra na odi do ubu so epokro no obetimi atwe e de enkyene e na epokro no so bekoso akoya dwuma ayinam. You see, what you define as important to you will determine what you do with your time. What you define as important to you will determine what you do with your time. There esumbuma wo no e na ade wo mreye abrabo maye nyina emre da kro 24 hours na de somboma wo no e na ode wo mre beye na me di kan ka se epoda hoi ebi nam ho a wo di do ebi nam ho a wo twipo no aye enkyene ebi so kopo so akoyi nam e na ebi so abrunsuo wo nyina epokro na wo gina no a wo ya dwuma na ne nyina agina sebe ne esomboma wom e na wo ye abrabo ya ebue de somboma wo no e na wo ye. What you value is what you perceive. What you respect is what you value. Nya wudi ni die ma no no e na wotayo. Wudi ni die ma brabo papa. Ababa sombo ma wo na wudi akire. Bebre na de ya sorry. Minim ni a sombo ma wo. Aya akayo. Ensekuo. Wotan. Atimodene. Wenum sombo ma wo a wo bre papa. Pesa munkuminya. Krono. Ensabro. Ana ntampetwe wo de koso na twe na amfo otimu a befo ase ma bibi asombo papa ensombo ma wo ma ade be kenya wo na waye o mama na ma obi ahu abo ose na mpo wakase wo hu se wodi mu no ma no sombo ma wo wade aware no ma who can sombo ma wo. Value your spouse. Let them be the most important person in your life and treat them as royals. Ma who can ensombo ma wo na hu so this year. What is important to you dictate what you do with your time. Metie, there's some men say meshe unkran. There's some men say mema abrabo dimu. There's some men say obenya ni je abrabo mu. Enti na me de membre abetra ha me adwumade we. Ne some wo no e na ode wo mreye. Ghana ya na ebia twedwasu ene ebre ene enkoyie o. Ade na ode wo mreye. So complaining and enquire and every one ever equation ma ye dear sumbumao ma casapan sumbumao na man ne pan sumbumao na dear chinayo a son said dear sumbuma wono and now what the woman ayo Miss Epudahui at the home I ain't na epuno and a man and 9 across war make a compano be a bruncio Baburano. I can say, hey, I know how to swim. I'm a swimmer a year. Was a puano and odinido. Hello, darling. Hello, na what time na yere edan insano. No need diakoniaba. A pucrono and odinido. Na sa pucrona no bisu essa edi enchine edi pesika. Sa pucrono so and obisu koso ekoyinam. Engineer sumbumano and no ye and punano and punumu. The world is common to all of us. We get what we look for. The world is common to all of us. We get what we look for. We get what we think about, and we get what we do constantly. Abraba yebu ya wahoma obia. Yedi ani nkuguo wahoma obia. Papa ene boni wahoma obia. Wadoni your time wahoma obia. And sempaka ene inseko wahoma obia. Wana uyimu eyi bako. You get what you look for. You get what you think about. and you get what you do constantly. If what you are getting is not the right thing, change what you are thinking about, and change what you are looking for in life, and change what you are doing constantly. Abrabo ayebu no. Madika ka say enye nkonya ene ye mpaibo. Mpaibo de eye na wosoro oboa ne oboa no oboa ne odwira adwempa oboa de eni ade papa. Nyankopon ebo me no mienu wa ma o se betan na onyi nkonya ma no nto abodo mfi soro. Enu nti ode nneoma bebre dua asase so. Asase omaya asase a wo de ade gusu a wo dua eso aba. Ode nipa bi aka ho abotimi no bubura teamwork. Ode koko any gold any no bebre agu yase a eno se kohye nneoma nyina so na so aba. God is not going to lead you to your progress. Wama wo pe. Enu nti no abraba wo bue no. Enye mpaabo keke. Mpaabo no be kenya wa mo hu se o nyame bi wo soro. Ba mpaabo na chire no, nya no abraba be yo. Mpaabo na chire no dia wo du suban ebe yo. Mpaabo na chire no abadwene afa wa abraba ho. Ni kwa betu be kenya ho no, ene de abraba be ko yedie mu. Abusua wasu ache. What di nkugu ache. Na what transfer kwa ache. What de na asatete apansa mempaba. Jesu. Na emmom bisa ho se. Kwan ben so na mefa so asakra ne ma medwene ho, efa me ho, ene me ho kan ne ho. Na mpo masakra, se ne ma metaye na me fie, na mpo odo atra ma wade mu. Kwan ben so na mefa so asakra ne ma metaye ho. Kwan ben na mefa so asakra ne ma me ntanyo. Na mayobie. Every great life comes at a price. And the way you value your life will create what you get. When you value your life as a great person, you create great steps. I didn't know who will be say, where do I dini a missionary affair? Or dini and chone ho, ni any subani said a crown hofano, and he said, a crown of you can say you teach people how to treat you. Kwa afa so eda ho adie no sa na manfo eno betina afa abrabo nye nkonya ena nye magic abrabo nyina so eni adwena wota adwene eni nia wota eyo eni empo nia wota eka eni wonani wochena me shall say catch us say the sea is common to all of us epo eda ho mo bia ubu odo po na no de na aprampono mu no wafiri obu a onante mpo ano dido okay o je senior na obi ne prada na saso jojo no odido mpo ano epokro no aso obi kodware mu ena obi so koso ekoyinam ena obi so twimpo no e de yanchine nia odo abrabo be ye no ejina nia esombo ma wo eso ma baba papa nsombo ma o na empo ofa abrabo a bisa se de na me de ma abrabo be yo na epo emfaso abaso amame ene obi menwene won kwa ho babo nya won kwa na ate e de na me de ma brabo be yo na eso aba mfaso amame ene obi na wo yema obi na edimu ma no a ene tua kapa wo yema obi na edimu ma ne pakro no a ene tua kama wo ma brabo enimu ensombo mu obi wate ma kasa enimu na ensombo mu obi ma one ye enimu na ensombo mu obi na yebukon ahwe se wo ya wo hanka nyane se ya bre obentin wo hanka nyane se yesu abrabo a wo be mane enye kra behwe na ebo de kawa ya kawo nsempa so ya kawo adum bi so ya kawo nsem bi a wota kan ye ya kawo ne gye so na ka se oya osimasi wo hanka nyane se ya bre ana meja wo yiri se mino akasa enware pumu keke na nante poano keke envendi do konsuo na dosuko na penam bichi na fa ensuo no so na fa ye nchine abrabo sa na tie ana meja wo me da mo amoda me nyina ase eye sound ima me da wase me da Ike so ase ena me da Larry cameraman ase ena me da MCR master control room sa na kano ena me da lighting ena floor so ase kura mama na Randolph ena eja webeka mpedu ase na wo a wonya amrehwe me de ye me dododo ehira kan adom ennom no abrabo enye yie ene ekwe aha na meja wo edin yam yeso ene ni tekotego yumedi edi ache so ba na mejawo amani ode Badwam dwumadie esoba woni onyame entina
Ache ya mwakwaba Adom TV Badwam suni yadani tekote gwase inkranchen sama no penso odi amaye braso sa no pay kase no yade bro ne yetodwa wo bi ya wo betie ne mori ya poaso chibu ban bese wo ne ma no afedi aboafo afirase ekwo honomo emmoa na yakwa akwahwe school feeding caterers no nso de obi eka bi enu ebo wo mu hu kosisa ban de won sika bema wo mu no wo mu no aduane ne enu ane chena enu ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase so wo Facebook a share yen wo Adom TV Facebook/Adom TV Go TV channel no so abenya yen wo 119 and DSTV channel no 280 midin e de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mutie se de nsam ni chiremu ankasa etie saade hye be hye no so abe na wotwe komienu ne miensa so nie ene beto odwa se wona ewo mori poasochi abuban amene abese wonmo niema ene omkwa hunyehia mu pa fei na aba beto odwa sa Adom TV kase de to ho no mpanifo bi kɔ won homo a yeto so
atowenchem na last week obenu na se mpanifo fi abodun kɔ na meme aba wobe wazi mattress kakada yenjina yemhwe nyama wa asenu na wonhwe na news na ekiri woba abayemboa na asia na yezemo yede wona ase yezin kana da wona ase dedo ye wodo da wona ase dem wa be omle ne kasa na oho se yezin ase na mpa abota enwe chi de anye wona adum na mo wa aka no won baye mehen
ampada makacha wan de ozikane de yankopa na ase osende ono no mo wan da me yansa sunkwa wa bacha na ada osumbu kase otedami ntie de wana ase
enwachi ena mensini krachi Willivans obri ewua ya wo abra asebu kwa mankese mensini ne mu efa asa akwanya ne sonso editu dwase wodi mori urban council chairman ho ya opa se wode betu dwase assembly mpanifo ayiwani amomanfo a woti mori
se a whole other member to be gina wiati nyina anim no kade babo region minister mane abo kama kuna damane abo kodin de damane babo disia mane na yeku inuya ahia suma na wa kele ye me say at the right time assembly best friend na obeyi na no you should let the subjects work
the krakra and a regent here wo mori na obokesi ampa awo no so eya peja hine wa abra sebu kwa mankese traditional area ede sansemi etudwa
Nikase muno ama ye chance there there no press conference kase no binan yeso honorable mujiji de obi no bia no oye papa ye aye omani hudo na yemtise mbenguzo onto wada mama yem personal mujiji ni kase ga wango ye mo pache yada da na ko da se na landing beach na mboya so abi tema oya African that's a
Caterers ya one more school feeding program no asia no se na nya de obi kan bi enable wo mu hu na wapre won hu akonu aduane wo mo de ekura na ekono asika wasa ban no edema wo mo na nya de se wo mo nsa tumi aka so wo mo nya se sika ne dia wo mo ntumi nkoto bibi no wano aduane amankura no won sama odi tudwa no eni
Mrs. Kwashiga is provoking us that this kind of job is a sacrificial job and is the work of God. And we want to tell her that God hasn't called us to come and preach to the children. And we cannot go and borrow to come and cook for the children for free. We are fed up.
Two terms. It is our one term now. Can Becca, I said, one term. Sassicano, a hen alpha.
One more will know aduane echiremu COVID-19 bremu honomo aban ema wonom nu aduane ema schools ahodo bi besi ne ya enyade sa aban etu eskana ma wonom
wotu wani hwa nkwara na obisa se de na nkwara na die esa se school feeding wo mo be school ayema wo musika ti esra ban ni asre ni biem ya nte ne so atua da de ya asra na ne se onhu ya mobo no fesika ne mayen
anoda nchen a wonom edi atudwa se eniama bi enkoyie e wo school feeding program ni mu eno so wonom edi atu abanye ni mu se wonye enhwehwemu
and bring that evidence out because there are kululu over there, ghost names, thousands of ghost names. They should stop doing that.
Deductions, the illegal deduction by the secretariat. Madam is my head of school. She monitors me what I do every day. And she forward the information to Accra. Now,
physician assistant bia one more awie school no 2018 mo bepem sabre yemfa wo mo nkoto ba bia nti enura wo bo sheda kokotena Ministry of Health sempanifo be hunu wo mo sampa wo ma agentity nenso wo mo ditifie nti e wasa aban no pe ba bi no wo de wo mo eguo nipa no wo me ye be 1500 wo do so eye nenso mu kakra na enura wo mo nya kwan e ba ho no mo de wo mo sam e beto so ye nanim so wo mo Adom TV kase di akiri eto so.
In the various accredited institutions. Your license, your 1 year internship, your license, you register for the license. But for the past 3 or 4 years, the ministry no imposti or be a physician assistant, be a school since 2018. Interne, ya baha say baby some ministry no say omun posti because ya chanyache. Last year, your association no mushia and no sign a memorandum of understanding. Mama yeti say ombe posti, but still yantemoshe.
Ujina so eden krata koto asoyi animu kasamafo edema asoye no Isaac Ba ofe ene gina asoye na nemu ejeye ochirimu se asoye yimpanimfo enimdie konyina na wo hwese asoye hwe o mayisi kasamso ebema wo mo ekwan ansana otimi amasa nipa nyina adwuma aye
mu nyina benya adwuma aye ewo Ghana memo nanso ansana yen as a ministry ebetimi aka say ye fa nipa wo adwuma na kire say yanya clearance from Ministry of Finance. Minister of Finance my clearance ah o say o ya mamu kwan say mu fa nipa 20 anase mu fa nipa 30 anase mu fa nipa 40 na ya agran so ebie porta na fa sa nipa na Minister of Finance di clearance na maye wa anya so anye sa na so ko fa nipa na akatua ho asem aba ba ya bibibi ai wo ho
Benso woni nyina mu no physician assistant kire say di asoye ne kananya de obeji atomo isanse enkuranhye bia anim obekosoa awo asoye nanim ho no
esanse kasa na akosu bebre enso no hu se wo dada akoracha afi we can be on June debut. Sana dia na kwaye. So because I see we be sa timeline no. Den so ba my timeline kra. Na we say na ye picketing. Ya ye hu publicity na dia minister oni ha o se obi bi fufura ni nso ehia. Nti na ye say bia minister di asampa bia e be ma ya abutoyem ama na obeka kra manka. Ye gina he na nka ya kuma to yem but ne o kan na the same assurances na o ma yenda no.
South Daim Roche Bejani Roxon Nelson Dafia Mapo se enei wadenkrata akwa Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice Trinitia se Shraj. Now nasam eyetia a reporter Kane Environment Science Technology and Innovation Minister Deba Professor Kwabna from Boatin Edia call Chief Justice ho anase Chief of Staff natna ye galamse ho nsem no kebeye padia Strategy for one more and you know more shame na bebia no credano on Fanto Adom TV kase etwaso.
Mimse Professor Boatin report obiate ho asem ewo news mu e bai presidency wenka presidency eyi krata se omo de omo fa ne se ye bofo beka hearsay atisem enti omo enya de omo fa no serious. Na yeso yehwa asem no enye se obi na aboni team keke no ka asem we ye former minister of environment sebi report no ba no bodin apart from so bodin no on my instances and the evidence e ka ho kire kwan ankrofo bi a omo afa ne se yensu a ewo Ghana han almost say no because omo pe gold. Now apart from some sense you know so omo ye nyoma emfa kwan mu emfa mbrɛ mu na di oboboy no eye di a emu odru say yan ma baby a ye fi say omo betumi ahwe asem ni mu a ye ti ho na dakro ye best start say ye bofo beka ye import nsuo abaga na ha because ye nsuo asem no eye life and death robo beka on kwansem da wonya nsuo num no wo betumi ewu nti so obi se wo nsuo ene or fa kwan a enya or the ese unsu a wonum ani bebi a nkrofo omo do eno mo ye omo aduane nsem wo honum na ese yehwe na ye si ano nti yaba commissioner ho say yesre no constitution ma ne kwan say ye obi de krata say be dana onhwem na onye investigations no so yasre ne say ye mpese odi be hye hanom no ye investigation ombie kwan no obian be hwe no ntie de ekoso mo am betumi carry the life no so na mo carry the life na obia ya boni din e wo sa asem mu no ombra no me
Ashaman Circuit Court nso ama enipa ensia bill na womu ye nipa ensia yesusu se military ni abamua Imoro Sharif ye nipa bi ekum no ewo Taifa wa Shaiman no ombenim hu bi no wo do wom ko gina daka emu no yama womu bill Adom TV etwaso
killing of the Ashama soldier and matters arising therefrom. Like I indicated on the very first day, my clients in this case have 3. I have a senior counsel here who is also representing 1, but in all the accused persons are 6. And the 4, apart from the first 2, from 3 to 6, are being charged for dishonestly receiving. And so we have been coming to court. The last time we secured bail for 1 of them. We're hoping to secure bail for the remaining 3 of the 4 accused persons as far as we are concerned. But we came today prepared to fight our bail application once again, only to have a very short business. The business being that the prosecution has indicated to the court that they are withdrawing the charges against the said accused person or our accused persons. So as we stand now, they are not being held for any crime. And so they are free men. They are supposed to be free men, ideally. You know, as far as the Constitution is concerned, Article 88 of the Constitution gives the Attorney General the power, you understand, to institute criminal charges against any person that he deems fit. And based on the evidence it has, it can choose to mount the charges against you or not. Same Act 30 also gives them the power to withdraw, you understand, charges that they have leveled against people. And so today they are exercising some of the powers given to them by our
Wabo posini no a wode tuo ball ne mpena wo Kumasi Adum no asobo na eno okokopie mu wo court no inspector Matwumasi se wonim de eba no so ma bibi eti se yesi ama ne dofo papa bi enei ono ani tu aka no amu ato na nanom nsie do de course wo court no eni
Yeah, Majane Yedeni, me banam pio, me banu pio. Yeah, Obeda, Plane Babeda, Onya telephone call to see about me, my message, my name, Nini Abramas, my name, no, se bim question, I am Nise man say, Amoti and say to pe Omuni de Chromusi for ma. Obisi Basin Pare, Unian any abonny to that no, Unian any abonny to that no. Unian abonny to that no. Okoya, Niniana Damo Jami. Obibusane say, boss, Odiano no Siminiano no, Unim takum, Okuno no Atakum, Dagume,
Patrick Yabua, assemblyman, Empotemu Honomo, and also the same bit to Yamani Buni enim.
Information, meet me, dear Mamma, and say, Yenia Bama and Dua.
Nti mo fancha ya pa we no your wrong voice no no ti prem to bremo de aka kire bia so ye de bebremo me to so na yenkwa yensam foforo no emu na National Women's Organizer de ma NDC amanyoko Dr. Louisa Hanabisiu se wo de ade se na ma delegate na ma na wo mayi wo mutie pre mrahebedwane de wo mo hwe no wo mo fama sa ma no na wo mo so betimi abo homode na boa ama party no konim dia ye won dia Adom TV etwaso
Yemma do no won afa krata se mpese o munjina NDC anemu o mpesua ahoro so no baako ena onchine campaign ena oton safre region ena national tie meta na chi no ba no de na nisuade hunu ebrei so gina platform so bi enhu meeting na nisuade hunu me hu se apa say me 20 women in parliament, female and Momo parliament, no. I honorable Comfort Doyo, ne lady woman. Remember a bad chance. Let's give a woman a chance.
And Wechi and a man Major Jan Kuju ya wopre emrahye dibre ewa Memphis Central Badwam pesua so ene Adom kase etwetwe enkomo ne nsemse ene wode etudwa
ma wo wasa agreement sa na me nkoso ni mpuntu edeba na enioma enyaye si ebe support farmers ebe support yakuafo ne ebe support schools aye basani ya yenne yampanyimfo ya lobby with big men and big women and the investors around the world to come and support, especially our road and other things. Also looking to seek for school scholarship and other things. Yes, I know marketing. Memphis Central for delegate. I am Kachira come up to Muyam. The sense I'm in the bankers. Let's say young Casabe.
Director of Local Government, Decentralization, Rural Development, Ewa Presidency, Dennis Miracles, Abwaje, and they was a dear and enamon from Memo, Sir Presidency, no, you might fall or doors on no cribby anymore. Badwam so and no neo mine Kwabna Sante, it didn't come.
It is fatal for Fidano a for Fida Bakua. Muslimi for who we are suffering no and a Eddie. Ye no ya sense of DB a tresse, or my comtra or mochreano, or more Edia baby. Nenam Safashi inteno. Muslimi for once a woman to a jirizongo, and so do my fashi be a share swap. Woman die, woman man, no mamma Eddie. I brought them Cassie, and near Poya Mantemo, Sariki, Gargajia, and Massa woman to a jirizongo, 18 comono. But the foot of my gun addition, and I say, or more many angel mamma and your mamma near home. No more shiny years said a bear, down come maybe no, in 3 months of sweeting.
Barka da sallah kana fo asama me ka kire mo no pepe fo nso ene Ghana fo momma yanka yentimbo mo ya mamre ene amane no yemma embra yemma ebuo emba yentem yentiti yemba ewo kwan paso ne enti ameka asane se ntiti ene pepe fo ene ekrapem fo titi papa ne enti yanka yentimbo mo ne yemma ya mamre no ene ya amane no se na Adom TV o magina ho se amane ne amamre ombeso mo yiye no yankopon omboa ya na yensu yenye na sa ade no nkoso
Enwachi Adom kase ne controller leader emansa wema do adwi zongo Malam Ismail Reis esoso twetwenkomo no de futu e magana de hye nyina se ommo homodin asa de biom beye bia no omema asumdie ede hene
enti yesra efre Ghana fo nyina se ye nyina no yemma asumdue ene asitena pa ene ekuru ye embra yentem na se eno tumi ba yentem a ena ye betumi ahyemu yehwe nhyiemu ya enya muslim fo nko a every tradition ewo hanom aye hyiemu eda otumfo nyankopon ase obi a ewo Ghana man mu se do ye wanta oyemu na mo ma emma empaipai ye nyina ye nya no kro na yemfa nsum o man no yemfa nsum ye nyankopon
Onfancha yam papa pa se Ura Dennis Miracles Abwaje enye ne die ni monfancha yam yenyina no so ne fa Adom TV Badwam kase no ensi ha anopay de do sorry de bonkrata na yekrado online stories no so ayekrado na eno ma wanfa pepese no enti no o ma hine Kwabna Sante so na ejina ye do ase pa broso wo se ukọ wadwuma so na bibia nso etumi ekoyi a Awurade mfa obia nko enfo omomra asomdue mu ye de obia ase o mai ba ma memu akwaba ya na yi
oh ari fi amakai Madam Catherine Emojedro papa Madam Catherine Emojedro papa Madam Catherine Madam Catherine eye akobam etiye ne ya akobam ne na ye ne ya akobam ne sa ye ne ko tudwe
Groza
hey Awurade Nyankopon
mana mo
me kai pa se kai ba ne die kire gidigide wo be sa okwan no sa to so ago akobam ka ene Madam Catherine wo di mirika na be kwa kofa
yes
ya chia obia maka cho se o so ara pasa wan kasa o de kwa fi aba kwa TikTok e be show nkran o ba sere ama cheze wa de bi ni okra ba sere ka ho Matias
wa vefi
bisel o so ara bisel wadaroma na bebrebe we de okaso be di eche di a mesrel wa hwe ya de be to no wa kaso bo ne nje ho na wo jebre so mo apom di ho nsem is important so at as baby adam ka fi wan kwa na epiam ya akɔhye ho eye ukɔ so ho se nyoma bebre wo ho e ma ye mu hihye eye se obehu otibia dan say ebetie ukura tie bi kwa wo no enchine kwa na sime ni unim na de bia ogu nchine so sese saw ebia kosua te se kofia mpadu ene esime ni ampadu anopa bapa na kosua de tea bread wakeka sie ni margarine na odi milo awona what is all this eti mesremo na mo mama pomo de o twananum oh achi palago on kwa do the corn beef no the sardine no the cabbage no the margarine as awono
ajei combination bi
eti mesremo a de odi akọ yem anopa no enumom na hode ne ye more than the na na mawie nti also take advantage na me kan afia say depending on adwuma wo ye anopa tutu akofa aduane gare tutu anopa tutu obi si benku enti sim say ya
wo na anopa tutu ni aduane gare because wo what if ako
me te fa ko e je say be mai bi o
ti bi sremo Messi need e chalo wo ya de mu yes
there's all ye adwuma na
sanisa ya e be boto of na mu aye ha
Ebobotu.
Because me mo page no. It depends obia but obi on so so a odi de mu odu a na boa no. Bo a onna. As no obia ne say the system.
If you be won so kwa na, see e fa no pa say salad pa say ana carrot bi a wo wi ana say ebi kwesi wona bra bo bita.
E on pekura. Obaka so anya no ho na te no. Because pedi oba mehi. So what you say? Yes tomato kwa vegetables you. But as a would ye, yeah, fine.
And remember our body needs to deceive you. Say what that slim, the cholesterol.
We are dangerous.
And the crown be cool complete. No.
To say be a more general or
so me still. Don't show me your mind and cholesterol show. Miss Row.
We must say,
wow, that was what that. Miss Row. Can is not because 90 and no and ya the papa, Miss Row. Nanti kiti ni nyina kasi ani mane eyemua
especially adwuma
it's very important
they say kofi ampadu na bia wote fa akon wote computer echi te what wo betu wani na u kofi ba wo ho tans kakra no asore no akon
very important madaroma ya kika we nyina pese wo nyame akira wi na ana wo be hira wi na wo brebe so am wo di sika ma ho ato no o nya fe na wo sisi kojo na ana fia na debi
ba me enkanto aso so every day be obi any fruit.
Every day. It is fruits be of your choice.
Yes.
Every day.
Every day. Even Dr. Kra said, "Oh, hono I was say a day be o ha a fruit na
fruit day.
I say fruit mu banku. So say fruit nko na woodie. Not the whole day. But he say be did it twice a day. Yeah. One of the days you know enye fruits nko na wonu nsuo fra. So
men ka say untimi. Ade no. And try mani go do as we go do how be.
Sir.
And try mani go do.
And mango aba. Did mango ni bi did bi.
And try mani go do answer.
Enye de bia na concrete
benkuni fufu ben saturuga benkuni fufu die ho teaser benkuni fufu abetie benkuni fufu adan
kabone
o si e ho atay ye ho atay nke ye ri nyoma be me ni pedere gina ho yiu a combination of all the others utimi nkode bia te Thomas usi benku anopa fufu ewia na the teaser ta so anyime e de na wo ji wa brabom unko work unko doctor manin cheki toro onya hwe benku uwie so awo ginam na aponchi be bia adore srade no e hokwa na o request se ope because they are kekere me ko pia na tiko
ni podua no ho sai
o gisrade no sa
we gum ni ade de se do bewu
ubato fun se sa obi asem no wakayu ade de se no bewu
sa say udi akira
now here hwe akosisia o da wo hwe akosisia
aso oba unzo wo follow
maka che no me say preko na ne ba ne hu no ye de bebre no say oba ana wo kwa da wo sa datia so as it you ma wo funu kodi wanim kaya
me oba yira kura
that why milk na wonom o the milk wonom no de asichira wonom or the marginal one or the planters we are no the bia anopa bia na kwasi bia na wo ji wa brabom
kwasi so ranka wa chepa o
mampon hihye bebre da ho mampon hihye bebre da ho and I was singlet the crowd shall etiti
wa de no
akwasi ase na me be se matira Edi da was ya chia mu ina me so. Alopa we de mu ina mu vedi dwuma osonko. E money here mo. Ufi o kakra first me say afia kana me ntia. O de ufi o na o de o so ntimi nante kwantempo no so a. Ufi o kakra na twa ho sa, o twa ho sa. Twa ho sa.
Me say me bata house na me jana me free.
Me say twa ho. Oh, twa ho sa. Wadaroma. Untimi so preko pesa anka so wom na o de o ko de bi. So me say wadaroma.
O me enye exercise kakra. Fruit so me say obi ani o so an pa bia ba ku bia na wadi agu. Oh, sa na wonum nso mo. Johnson na e problem. Ba so onum nso. No, na mo ye
ki so ba Johnson kama.
Sa ba Johnson kama.
Adiachi.
Da kama so ya da. Na time fada.
Na no so mesre osmosis ni ha. PR so ni ha. Mesre tell ma onu mu na mo no mu da mo se mu hu de ekoso wi ase. 12 na ese se wo da ma ho to no. Wa mo mpae. O ti ho na. Yes, hello. True. Yeah. Now 4 years mabo. No assignment na adwuma. Tu ti adwuma productivity room.
Low.
Na oni pedua na ankasa so. Na oni pedua na ankasa so no. Ago.
Wabre. Enye.
Ti misramo 12 to 4 no. Mabunu no muntie. Minim de mo pe wa abrabom.
Enye easy.
12 to 4. Wa mo mpaye. Wan ti mi anwinwene wa abrabom rather. Misramo madaroma. Ye keka ne se beka se yedi agro. Ye boa ma ye nyina yetima sakira ye ni pedua na abrabom. Yes, mo pay. Me fada kan e so untiase de me ke untiase.
This odru.
Ade odru a. Sa. No ma de na de bia wo fa blade ade juru how ju ase. Ko bia untiase o so odru ho a. O bo ze ene me to blade kana me su. U be jure fempo o peso esa akwala. Eso be beat no.
De ya.
Afesu yomo shena dos wan pedu yomo shena. Yomo papa fo no abedu. Yo monu shana dos. Asofu nyina Israel nyina ehye yobu. Munya ngusa.
Munya na white na mra. Wano no.
Oze come before pandemic. Yeah, concept so quickly that America say ku dey the agokensia zepe nkomo ahodo so ansa na pese mu yatena sai bedwam on Adom TV.
Asemidika ya na.
Asemidika. Say you ya na ehye so jiro. Ana ma the Asemidika beba. The Ghanaian Times say let's address growing insecurity in Gulf of Guinea maritime space. Nana Adanko Akufo-Addo naka say Bolgatanga to host Maiden May Day parade. Oh wow. And Africa needs sustainable development-oriented people to transform continent. Emaro vise Monday day enemy ejuma foda. And also a holiday. Effects of illegal mining on forest, native 3 species in danger. Professor Paul Bushu, Director General of the CSIR, Anaka say the finder say married police inspector killed girlfriend over 5,000 Ghana cedis. I say when you I did report to the baby answer because I bought Ghana for.
I said no, a court.
Kasa hosa. And I'm making you be weird, you know. Antenia, na kwaya no dia na afie di disan komodi
5,000 ko hwede ya sia mo bia ye jan
Ghana gas to dan keke dia dia so ho
ja project akofo ya ma nkofo enku na woni akokodro na so
full line obama for
but ya ni kwa so gene 5,000 ojo obi nkwafi ho nim de obi aye
obe ya manipa kasa
na kwa na say de o ya wanya de
o ya ma frimpon crowd
5,000 na nyesa
82 Ghanaians evacuated from troubled Sudan, and Akufo-Addo calls for united front to curtail growing maritime insecurity in the Gulf of Guinea. The Meridian, the Worker Africa Police in Okun Oba, the custodians, the same story, but back we trust Senior Hosi, individual bondholders declare and obey court order on CDC land as many direct security operatives. And the new crusading guide. Crisis plagued Sudan. Government rescues 82 Ghanaians to safety. Yeah, Kasan Ghana for the Munkosonko Sudan. Now, maybe I call Ghana in this year. So, me call Sudan. Me call Gambia. Call Liberia. Dia send me.
I don't know. Sudan, we are there.
Obi asema mbo. Okay, Obi mato tomatoes with me the coffee. Ina tomatoes nko 800 ode kwa yedam so me kwachi me an bahata. Me kwachi me am bahata. Now tomatoes paint rubber back no. I don't know 1.5 cedis.
No boy dey.
Now 800 na dey na wato.
No boy dey.
I say, "Hey, na tomato bibiri be na me say anya wa."
So no
me kwachi. Michiwia, no mahata e wiem sa na fi me chiche no ma no.
Ono de onu man sa be. Ba wo de wo sa ono a. E de aduane no de o ya de.
Because na we say ave obo mo testimony mo say we yi na no yi na me srem me yi na no yi mo fa che me. Na na ho ye mo wa de do. Who need to want to bo o daily guide. Zip opens Kolebu okay, Cath Lab and I killed Majua. Oh, why Buddha Casa said?
Oh yeah, no court. As a quarry court. O say yeah, Juma or more than.
When the talk about yeah. We are doctor say what am medical about. What
Canada. Doctor Kwesi was say Canada. Yeah, Ghana no like we are we ni power ha. Emu ba akupɛ na say you. Obi a won mental issues. Say when you da ho, na adwemu da ho. 5,000. Otimi ha gini pano ekisi ni wie wo won intention
anya bibia ye
o you okay onya yarefo bibia ye adwene mu da ho na even as a security man kra no omo course ni say me enya wronga psychology kakra omo sua enti na wo say utumi ma adwene ne ye adwuma hwe na wuntimi nkwa na wakofa side check ma woni da ho o 5,000
utimi nkwa na wakofa side
me fi no kra na ka manage u de na asai out you 5,000 akumo bi bakwa okun free we de bakwa abase nkwese
there's a bank can call no na mububu ye ono de car ni apartment source kwa ni kujina be
so ati ase project enkrofo ye omo nka sure project abnanya easy sa enti se wo na fe no waso so wo pese wo kofa side check kan yire wo ani na ho investment
umpo wasema no tuba
sa anie
no akoye kremo
sa wo fa umienu miensa bi
edukura bia ni problem ba wo ye Kristo ni ana brantie na ose so wa wade na ro we be sa ko twebe ni se dia
you're ready for everything bibia possible
no problem da se wo si apem mema no ana ntimose
na 5,000 wakumo bi ma ajo akama wakuna free yenkwesi hwe ma mi ya ne bai kwa nkranke to akum apesi se
nipa de da form bufa so sam
obabi pane to ase aya wa wukwa ye kuno kwa ana ote ho na ise yeso wo su mama ena ekwesi se nya but my dear sa fe na opeso nso kofa side chick bia hwe nso fo enyina to utirim se bibia betumi anya oyere no na wo da wo so de na obi anya oyere no wo peso ofa na work up mi wa ho nware no so
se odi akohyem
na 5,000 brave pa 5,000 kobna hey
and 5,000 afia be ba afia kwa de be
5,000 to akumo bi bag enyefe also on farmer wa enya hwe obi anhu akodim machine wa use onso use enya hwe yenko yanim wakuno kwa se wakuno kwa so 5,000 say eya wanya ade na opam bo video bi e bae o bisa say papa no Ahmed no ya ade na odwene ba pani hu ana odwene ba keto ho ansa no ye hwe nim guase o dey anya fine papa nso wa nice pan untimi nko ayimu na akakofa o jealousy level was right so you very careful sa
na kuma han
asa ha na ka ho na o say kwatwe mpena my dear ampa o dey ya ampadu ye we ye ni hu evidence kasa no Ghana for kasa no ya ebi mo mi hunu mi anyina ni won so bi mutimi kat say asa no bi na ho bi sa nipa wu a ye ti
nipa wu a e kira sem no
na so anyi
ba ma no titiro enya adisuan so you know say ukura ayonkofa bi mu aya yen weigh the options sikadi wani mpia we asidi wani mpia and also a problem into weigh options no sabi we will not recommend about relationships akwasi na kan mean to me san obi ati but don't a journey dey that way now the whole question
now
a journey down now the question
anya de
yes it happens obi a say otutu anamonsi
before be wura mu ni nkomo mi say na metie mi say na metie so ati ase now mekum obi 5,000
asempa na koto fi ho no
eya
efie mienu nyina titu de wahwe ne dish ma adwoa betimi ababie manke anka asem ye nka de kra bi na me kra abusuafo ye nam sa ene bo ne nai kra keke na ye
na onya ebi a onya yarefo bi na ofa nka
ye but like
now chese utimu say ya say the chest ene na se chese wo wie no we nyina ade abufu a Because anya wo yire no nti e dey ya bi a be ma bi nso wo ho ana ni gye no ho a obekọ no ho papa so open na nka wo ye no ho ade na ade na
obetimi da ka yire ho and so cry another option
fine wodim se nipa wo do ne sa na wo invest wo ni mu no na je sa waye ya mamu nyesa anya fine
me ma no so a o mo resort to sa no enye jimi ana yare o de bia meka ho
ne wa wo gire mamu
because the point is that I want to say whether wo yire wo ni yire o oba no ntem tete whether kwasiebu onye kwasiebu
esi
you have a lot of life to live
am I credo also same
lot of life
anya hwe esi awie wetime moving on na wonim ene ma hihye nkofo mu a ba na yesese
anapa ya kwa na fianko yes ade me yonko na fianko si me ne kwasi o se ene kwa de broken heart na ni ho u break ni kitu e bi na o ko de be ko e ma na ka za stop na me ma so I stop the broken heart bi eni be bi at se kan se obi
like obi ya let
obi ya let
bi abetumi yes enti esi kura ene ya but
tu first ka kan
papa anya de a hard dream
okay
obia I see a break obia heart obia ya break obia de pen
Ebuakwa South MPP South Record Street yeah that's one I be so
enti no ya bi semi kind to
text messages na person can much more on this matter me gidi say ebrese e be dis ankomo because anopay enipa bebre adwene ho yie pass dey be na basa ba bra so say e dey asemi dika e dey ebreo abusua pan over eye adankra mako nsia oye kuani osai obi oye adoye kese pa oye adwuma wo oye Jubilee House ana osane mampan tutu kwan but ami adom one multimedia abusua ko no ana etnase nti mo huni pa ameka na semedia anopay osebo ne akomapa yemfama yenua ye wofa ye kunu ye dache hene e wo mampon yemfama ye dihie akwaba
ama me so bako de
I'm for see the kasa eskafo yi
energy that dem asanteman
energy that dem asanteman
yes me kan asanteman a enye Oli Ashanti region
okay
amanfo bi anti asanteman ase
okay
asanteman no kraba ta Ghana mantam dunsia mia hodo bi
okay
ene kabo man ye asanteman
to ko buna ebi ho okọ afọ ebi ho okọ oti ebi ho okọ north ebi ho
ene ye
na kase ni
asanteman yede opemsuo otumfo osetutu ababio esi akonya kese so no ene ne mfinhia adwenu 24 years
24
yes ene 26 April 1999 ena asanteman pohene da sebre osebonsu ema ne muso ese wisi ahene edane akonya ndema na nakwa ya ene oye otumfo osetutu ye otoso
young man as of that time
yes
very young
yes 26 April 1999
hey
so the time na afuna baba head teacher na said
oh hey ekuki to mo su se rade kamo
ba kamo yeah
oh very interesting
yeti yema asantuma nyina
so it means that man po him 20 years na no otra so no two for by 4 years
na hima esi akonya so na ajakuma difie ya otoso mienu it is a fishada kese no so no one man so
20 year celebration
yeah ba bedi in grand style
2024
ateniema na hima baaye why dem asante
wait them say just make prescribe I don't lot to now 2024 as a mampon 20 or 24
we are man for akwa kotwa omo de bu machine na abi akwa kodeka baba oh man the forecaster
ala pa so dey fine
ala pa dey ba di nkomo
yeah
Tema Oil Refinery
to
so near yehu o TV screen the state of Tema Oil Refinery but if free ochina ekosini fiada so ye bema department by department videos current ya etwa no enura Tema Oil Refinery asem na mekan but we videos a ye nim dada and ye we ni e de achiro o man to egu okay
because egu
guna egu no so no esa de ka asasi aban na so it's not the only advantage a Ghana buy a war a say. Either say ye beton ana ye be strategic investor. Ana say a buy na kasa be ni trim eni sika akwa kwhye. Matete edfobia kaka say adwumefo no bi eye ne ma bi a fanta which is highly be also ye condemning to the barest or say ye condemn kura enye set off adwumefo to na say mo akasa ade na egu no mo akasa mo say didi ade na egu no but isi o ma da bi am kasa asembwe ye si broni di nhyehyɛ so but ye be ma broni do traffic light as na sa sorry da ontwam ye say otwam a asotwe ho but the member broni krona aba Ghana no do traffic light as na say sorry da obetwam ye say emuda ho everything under this sun is about leadership. And found it to come to crow, and found these are air cost water. Still, we need leadership. From cabinet to energy minister to tour management and to workers. I didn't know yet trauma at the KCC Ghana now so on my edge go. When you say firm world or you to Ghana about 10% to Ninja. Fed will be a tour Ghana since 2010. Ghana about what 10%. But the first 2010, quite Africa na age and now see. From 2014, air babasi and a from where you tour Ghana no a peja a costro. O my Jesus said it's 10% of the government enya from Femuna yet to the Matoa. It won't be Finiana.
Oh, back what I can counsel because in because train pra.
Yes,
it affects everybody by back to train.
A training because say a train also benefit somewhere directly and say indirectly. You work on it.
All of us will continue to be beneficiaries of
the challenges now. Because of my message say a bankers will revive it. Any idea see a team say can't tell be what all.
Break
it through. But your power as management, your power as Minister of Energy. What are you supposed to do? Cartel no one no. What now want to me so much me break it? Told you my phone to me break it up cartel no. Told you my phone no one no. I want to break it cartel no. Say cartel be one more. I am Dr. Matthew Opoku Pempe. And the bet to me I break it cartel no. This is you about say 12 you my phone no. Say be any pabani sem. And I'm not my man e guru. It je you man sano. It doesn't work. Dr. Matthew Opoku Pempe. Etimi nyani sada biasa. If I na semwa instead of energy securities, I receive concern about you reviving Tor. Almost a year ago, na aka say abani she egu akwem. Honorable Pacho. April mu na ewi. Enche ni ekoju na afa ko pepepe. Akoti say. To the extent say Dr. Matthew Opoku Pempe under your leadership. Mampenia be de Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia edi sheyaba say gold for oil. Ya ko crack gold for ya ko crack oil di from on eba. Ya de fator. Ne ya kogu boss. Ya de kogu boss na say ebika. Isa say be de akaba gu to no. Ne de akope ankra tank fam ne de gu na ban etuaka abrato esiwo. Because yes katebu on man kogu on mo a untimi nya output ni nyina. Doctor Mampeni na nado dan kwakufa do ko energy ministry say eho enyefo eho enyemre it wo hwe ni mpanifo atwa no nyina hye so wo Dr. Matthew Pempe and abetimi ahwe energy ministry say so fix it if Tor is collapsing. Minister, fix it. It is your responsibility. Ghana from bese betie kata asem. Ghana from bese betie ni pampalifo what Tor. And until now you Minister of Energy, fix it. Why is Tor not working? Why? Why is Tor not working? Tema oil refinery. Adentine to me nyajma. Adey. Dianko. You were Japadia cases in September to be 60 years. Yeah, to me and you be wo. Maintenance sustaining should be difficult for us. After Kwame Nkrumah you be no government upon government to me and you be maintaining and sustaining it about be a challenge. Dr. Matthew Opoku Pempe, who now the current energy minister, fix the challenge at all. It should be one of your priorities to make sure that talk every year you and send what for ministry on them. I say you're that thing. Whatever Qatar, whatever the public for one piano, you are supposed to fix it. And also, Wakasa Wuni GDA Ewo, Tomutino, what they go for oil deal, oil the bar, offer muto. Because what jai and essay. Because what jai, as a new dream beam, as a new TTBM, because what funny say, the public for me, Yomushia and ye. Opani, baby, I'm engineering. This waha, but chum and train a human because of this amount for you. He will fix it. Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe, fix the challenges at all. It is your responsibility and so responsibility. Mampani ya jidi ya reshemu ewomu. So do it. Do it. Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe. Yet me nyama to enye se yasada. Ni ejane sana kunkono abeja pade kesese na nade ti ade esanyina femu bo ekosoro. Chief of Staff mechiawo chira no pabesa no odi nkomo bi abato nya wo so wo ye Chief of Staff ma me from us apare chira no pa wo so beteminka edi ni akwase nsia edi agode mu sem eto aso
Adom TV so Adom TV so bejonju medie so dia bukensi mu sempan sa kana no pensu ja medindi Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunyana me kono quantum coding small do sa kana no penso e wo Ghana agudie eja so so am say nyuma kunya miensa wo mo na ebo machi do me de na no penso hihye ne 18 ba one expert I've always told you that betting there is better than Sakawa utwane before din befu twane kuma bi adin kuma sa no manum ka kire busuanfo na fofo yere ma ofase fo na mukrum no mprafo nyina se one expert and boys didi Easter afi so salary eno wan yesan de babaye e ma niama etia kuye de ma nemum bet with money that you can afford to lose ka yere enya ya no eno ene di twa bet nyesa de bet di wa wani betia pruso adwene betia bom tim betia hyehye ntim serew e na wo de adwene kakra etia san to bet nemu we nyina china pe bet dia one expert nkomo ana meni edinum Jeffas mixture infection sedu gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so depo na chewa won set me ka Jeffas sedu bia betia boa koyeba shops ne pharmaceutical shops na mu Jeffas mixture orma amanfo eto na boa emapomudon sem so ejina pintin ewradim Sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel yaudie bia fi pampas be pimo na no eduro etu asese hom na boa ematimi jina pintin bo modenda so do ni betia kire ashama na me market on sabe ka bi na fe so tema so enye na hokra obetia friend paying for 02082199129 na on a Sedimo gel and roll-on from paying for entry komo yemhwe mo sanka product bi se bia wapomudon sem so ebetimi asisi we mu ene sponsors na emu tuturutu ne twetwetwa mo techira boa emena no penso dia wo kensi won sempa saka 8 jao a journey of 1000 kilometers begins from first step in chance here MFF English Premier League and the 20 reference say EPL no na Woman 3 Wonders for Crystal Palace twema kaminu omantimi ante Aston Villa 1 this for Transmos as soon as become a cover commentary Girona Eche Real Madrid for 4-2 and a Ferry Betis and Real Sociedad and so o Mackenzie and so Kumo APM Ewechiri no ekwa goalless draw e was Sarkins kesi timensa to John Mafia entintom e wo yediem Ghana Premier League sena matches no so besi akọ week 28 say na hyehyɛ ne AC ekwa na nyame adoma Lagos City ene Accra Lions nkranjata e bi hyesi akamberekum Chelsea beton sida fe kutukuru asa wo mo area e wo league log no so no ana omnom de akesi ne bepem so Tamale City ene Accra House of Folk na African Fire ne be Chief United Samates ene Instrataman ene bi hyɛ na fe Duena Stars ene bibia ni Gold Stars e de bebo so media ma Sporting Club konzimom siminuanum omo gifi akentrens na from the Dreams Football Club and the Akensen ebiti apem so bibia betwema ya woda Akensen sa to so bion uninterrupted channel so ma say ya be pie woni Real Tamale United and Karela United the battle between the Uniteds and also ebiti abasuna fe Accra Great Olympics and eye Kumase Asante Kotoko and the Akensen ebiti asabo so channel so ma say Accra Great Olympics no musio makan wa Accra Sports Club ne mu aso hye womo etubata akopiem esuga hope ho anomgide paso beti adwom ho kwa baso ka hope no e track record of clubs ide omenate Sancho Liberty ko relegation wafa na ofio no ko relegation e wo sena niam AC ekoso dwumadi a omo egusu dintu kika wani kirem e wese ne Mexico so na relegation center ne de afi aben Great Olympics for edin wo mo ebeko nyame adoma de honko bi na betia san ba se no so se enra Ghana Big Soccer Premier League no empenfo etimi fa paso di twahomama wo mo ejidi pass won kran puni mantema no enche bia no so ebetini asantodwa na 14 participating clubs and betia ginem akonko den na 14 Big Soccer clubs no obia a register ehwenim se kwan bia so betia compete na omo chase weekend May 27th and Kopem 28th no ana matches no ebetia saba between these days no omo the betting time so na oboase enso ehwenim se kwan bia so no omo so betia sa continue so be play role of area ohwese ne Mexico so a omo so ewo football clubs a omo echron bobre ewon hihya wodro no so etuense piem no Isaac K Nomanyo enso e de oboase nkomo no so etwa so
Adom agokan
This sport will soon gain grounds. This sport will soon be played across all regions of the country and millions of people. The journey we are talking about starts today. So even though today we are here talking about clubs from Greater Accra, from Central, from Volta, and from the Eastern region, soon we'll have clubs from all the other regions also participating in beach soccer. Tentatively, our Premier League will start from the 27th of May, 2023. To help our clubs for a good takeoff, the Football Association is providing each of the 14 clubs a support fund of 10,000 Ghana cedis to each of the clubs. That 50% of this money will be paid immediately.
Adom agokansie e de apome piemo awo Obuase Black Park. De piemo hanyira ane se apiani Bosek fan club empenifo ade dwumade bi asese eso ewa ha. E de emaburu a wo mo Obuase aye mantemu no wo mo edi agro wa ha. Se de beye aye benya players ahodo a wo mo butan ne se on do form team e wo krom de mu a na timi aboa amenya maburu ni bi ama dache o ma be sia kan e de ma Ghana national teams ni ebi eno e na ekoso e wa hai ye no opedi kwantere fo a wada sa ekuya no eni nkomo ye bisa openi se e de enti enenne wa je sa dwumadie
openi bo se ye ja chi won se bo organize tournament ma community sana wo wase e se bo wase ni team bia wa ha yini bi ejiji nkola maburu ne wo ma o mo yebo wo moden so ya pakipeki wo mo ne ma form team e de ma Obuase West the buta is in the bank at the no ye pick on my football in Colas or Boise cry. Here is out the community tournament. A show Munkran will be I and say build your Boise players Nagasa. Then your course no team first not go course no. Then my Mero Boise. The only person for any team for the Bio Crediamus any common. Dear Missa Etiman first. Games here at Cosse and for so bang and at the Bebre of Boise. Then for so blame or Boise mine. If you say Crana Yadi or Bobo Yankasa Bona Mabeshano and no crama just a many just to be around was I told. Stadium tiasrama momwaye na ibiani a momfanche na mumie maye sese a ashgold and shara ni habiem jama ya nyabo onye den enhwe nti wo na ye no in fact ya niaje bebre ya hu se place ni bi mwoma a omunya national team mo yade apiani bonse go ni ba Aboase no youth no bebre na nya adwuma ayo youth no ye wo press pa wa se Aboase ampa ya boama o magana fa ntuma pafria nti Obuase nkomo no na eguso ebo no hwesene ne ma esiekoso a Obuase na Stand Good Football Club for na ewo hodei hwesene ne ma esiekoso a manso de omatia san ko bi kwa brituma wo mu eni Ghana Premier League ne mo bio na okọ Obuase de anese Stand Good for anananka ehwa boma ne ma etia ko iska ko dwetra mutu no ehon faso no anana omo edihwe football but nei wo hwesene ne ma esiekoso Obuase for chese enya de a football club ye 2020 nra community games ka create 20 baso no ana omo ede eje omo fans ewo eye Obuase nyame adoma yebesa to Obuase nkomo no so na fehwe sene nema besi akọ ede ama Obuase mabunu a wo so enije agudie no ho we so na migina na mede ne so aso da besi wa ukensim no ebetimi asihye no so mam se 1xbet etach je fast mixture enso bo achidom na face sedimo gel and roll your ultimate pain relieving gel
wɔn nso ɛtɛkyerɛ twintwan ana yɛde agokansi mu sempa ɛsa Canada pen so ɛwɔ bedwam dwumadie so etime wo me nso ɛso deɛ menua Mrs Asante ana Mrs Priscilla Asante okufo dia yɛkyerɛ ni oka executive committee ɛde ɛma akyerɛkyerɛfo ku a ɛwɔ Eastern Region obakuma friend say Giovanni Wallace Giovanni Wallace mo fase no pa Giovanni fantastic birthday enkoma baby bia wo bia onso obo obra no to aso na bono kakran krasa fi nkola bem no obawiawia saa but den a ebesi so yie na boa emanema etia kwede manti happy birthday ana enkoma wo baby bia onso bia me dey the prof Ike Wallace agudi catch back open mjide mu e of course evidence based sports presentation tmeja radin tene ma onye okese yifi bi ne da so ni no fa nko baby ne da so the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.
Komlemle fan of our street and family Badwam host page media so any maka say Badwam na very big na so yes sense ase no ba kuni world of entertainment no nia etwagu shede be ma na no holiday Monday etwam na me hwe se ne enua no muslimifo omo ka poem ni adam si etia na ja wo shwa ye chemo Presbyterian Church Children's Service mekai me boss Kofi Ampedu wo sofo Master Adrian so tia wo sofo etia nyina ebabu maka say yen eja wo shro udi hunte wa hene mra ne a wo penye wa asasi so sene ye wo shro mayenda aduane na fa yen aka free ho no na mama koma na mahwiri hwim na makwa akodu udi hunti wa hene mra amen me the sister Sandivi ya kwa abashroko eba ya Badwam awon se pejimedie esto ebi amina hu me wa ha sei ba ono maso masne do so pie pa wo be Kofi Ampedu watamechi die mu den Telma omunsu twaguo Thomas ene member omu nyina abo ehia Master Israel hyehye nkonya na malizi etwemani ma yemfa nsem no embrewo ahaya na meka se papa bi se ne bane ejako ya nti wo pacho se wanhwe no ma meka nsem bebre in fact that story that particular story no me sorry you know the feedback was massive na say nkofo pi no o mejeje o ma ho now sit down wuja wo ba ho na this time I na oba na eja ne ba ho kimpi ano pay me chia ba bia obi a kimpi dada ke di manager me chia eja ko se was demo asem no yen sha dan fan to baby ne mo ne kechi kakra na woni na okoye interview no ene papa ni nyina no na em so mo wo botan bi ta echi nti a mo yes ade no na enemrem 2023 wutimi fa camera so eye bibi say all trending ti sania te say tomatoes ba ko 5 cedi kontomre 10 cedi wo mehwe ha wa abakwa koto kontomedi ko obi atwima bampesi aboso wo de camera be trending anyway ka ko yedin ko enu muti no asemu anese aba no enie enti no papa penifo ni bi ho no onim ho hwio abemu ano de camera no so papa patro sheda ka say yen ka say be trend papa do so nim trend na eni eje agumpo ya eti asem no nyina ne nchemu no ye bo ne tofa woni no woni ni ba bia wo enye no kre na papa pen yo me de trend say na nyina ye gina so aka say yesremo ba mo ani nko ne ho no matter the situation e bia nya obi awo on view e ma ne ye ja wo de ja wo bi wo so de kwa akola no akwa no de otene ba ebi onim ho hwe Kofi Ampedu eja George bedun kuma se na eja George ewo ne ba Kofi Ampedu me boss wa ha ba je di se wotimi twa ticket ko Germany no akwahya ne ba na ade wote he ya ba opachi no metu woti kokomlemle he ba wa wo shi onko ho ya twa ensem no eso ana ese ade ato ani mi hye tuntumi je ade ato ani papa Rude Boy ranking dance hall artist Ghana has say, and I'm not gonna lie, you know, I'm not gonna lie. You know, I pesa bray me a story that. Means in a story that. But told where I will continue when I me. Ghana, you know, I come in home for you na ya pesa. Maybe I won't see any that. On picture saying that, on corny show that. Artist won't feature that in a stage. One light for Rude Boy ranking, yang sacre, yang. It's me a day me many na ewu and I'm didn't see me bremo say brano nyame aton sa for can't negun tebia obi say why no Rude Boy ranking ebi anampa show wunti say na make wunti na nwom kra denti no mo me fa ni wo nkan hia enka se ho aye na nadoye wo hoda ni nti nwom ne mbra amen osi di ne bi uta afa ni kofi mole ni ade odi asem nam atade a hye ni nyina ka asem ni nyina tima yen ko bi nua be ma no so e afabo za fashion it to say
nyame adom me ho ye na so
nyame adom na ma me facts about rude boy rank let's open dance hall pa
say ansa dwumadi na yedi ne no mo anti news ne ba ya na beto ya bobo ano
ene e de aye bone
why bone
oh
becha mo so
obi any kind of music ya na ne je ho it's pardoned you know akwaba
so
I make us atade e show e define na osre meanwhile e define and e define ade we
so odni na to abonten
what I say anopa de we be see me fie na bestra me pacho e kwan so e
yo mama fa akonya so enna wahwefo nyina ase I mean brand nyina omude omu TV set no eto Adom TV na omu ehwem programs ya moye na yeso yetamochi obibia moyem eno krantin so na me wa ha
ubetimi aye adwuma yo ubetimi aye present na adwuma yo
meba no training me
o kan wa ko hu abadu kan wa ani ye kwena
na pede mo ha na ye pa Jalabia festival ye pa hontama na emeni jesu peace mete o show you so na ye de unveil Jalabia festival nti se hema ho fama ya said you can you dey atop one thing that say
so for man describe that
nyame adoma e baso e wo Wembley Sports Complex
okay
kwesi ada ye nimu ya
kwesi ada we ya na so ochina ya wo ni fie ne memene ne kwesi oh okay few days more e ho ne Wembley ne we hefa
e Kotobabi
okay
Kotobabi down Ashwete for hona ye yetmaje no
so na kwa say Jalabia but mastis kakra mrem style kakra magyness no anya se obesha na straight about kakra bi
ma bia bi mrem
eno mani nsu ma de ni nsu nya sa wo sha bas it we dey say lace kakra bottom kakra where you style so kakra it's in Jalabia na dress code no
so me dey me bia mo because ma ngusu ba mpam bia mo wa
anyway say ya na me do kokota na sa mate yeah
okay ntimpa mo chosa mo hwe oh fia Jalabia festival hunde woni e board me dey on say station empempi ya na omo ye sala fest no ma ye normal street ayi enchira hwe
okay
basa ye ndi dey but this time no ye pese
ko fi be kumio
this time ye pese ye dey Jalabia na stand out na ye dey celebrity yenyanu muslim afo a chese omo ye fasting ya na on say ye fasting we say na omo didi entina ye mom holiday no but ahode no so nya dan eni ho enti ye say na wocho ba ko ebe dan ebe to so enti obia hom ye wi no na so ma ba na ye de aginem
ye ginem 247 on stop okay enti e free ana
but e free
ene mu ede no free ni de ye ba say tala
Ramadan ankasa no obesi abafokasam giving alms to the needy
zakat
enti no we ye bibisa na discato so aya na entwaye Islam ayi no it's free say give it back to the community there na I was here the mom ye de che
ni ejem ni etala enti nyame adoma akwasiada time sha say
okay anadu nonso pepepe
ye ginem 247 anywhere no lights out
open time abebre sister standing by also bre
ya biti dembre ni ejem ya fa bojadro ye si dembre that's very nice many just say bibisa wo hono ma yetimi ebebe bi na ya support mo eti nyame akwasiada then started 7 p.m. It's Ghana the engine is 6. After no be abo no ho say Ghana mind no dey ako 8.
Mrs. 7 no cry no. What can some say to bus 6.
It's engine is 6.
No mo be do.
Ghana mind there or the 7 say no dey ba 9. It's in 6.
Be 7 dey near ready.
No my mo di more time so okay that's very nice. Kotobabi Wembley
Sports Complex.
That's very nice. Nyame adoma. Ya ba better machine tin ba cho we camera ni me na ton adwuma e woti ase empo dada na to nsafre adofo obetimi aka kasa no because we particularly for munyina
kasa no de obi ka mete we say o ka mete na se meka bi asre na nti mu de se me wo Adom TV so de I mean kasa ye ka mansa nyina ate wa Adom TV ne I mean multimedia twi kasa ya mekan omo nso mo hono mote pa nti no nyame adoma akwasi yada se mo hwe me ne sister Sandia ye to yensa afremo Wembley Sports Complex anajo nonso pepe na ye de Jalabia festival no ahyehyehye so enti no momra na momma mehwe ye activities bebre activities friends adwumadi
bebre
because ye adwumadi bebre ai because so be flip the bottle air trending your dance competition your rap competition I mean your activities are shemti anya boring ana your artists so mo ba be fa se ama adwumadi na kama your Wendy She we share ganga
what the one panta man surprise at
okay do and somebody can
Wendy German say muso e mo edin
my Wendy sister say na fa konya and now was one say ubisa say paid event and say a free meaning say a people interview and anya hona ko I mean ko advertiser ma you can say omo aswas but free there na mesre say impenifo amotan free echi mo fa ntem na minda angel cola for ase because omo kra emu flower tissue darling lemon oheneba Ghana rice ayuko seasoning
ndiaka de monkodi
omo nyina wo so omo che achede ma omo eba activities no
ya do nyina omo ni momo ho
patwa
mo amota jalabia chi munni mo ho
we dey so send the name Mr. Badwam opportunity ma matimi I mean Adam was I appreciate mu yi enti you always welcome. We dey money be so na mabwam ya da Adom TV for so as
yedem ti yeda CP say na obesra fabo kwa mche bo that's yam ya do ya beba be shi ma fe me boss ma menchia Papa Bills ma fe opa me be ofie kwan so baba be tsra why enu nti no me ne jalabia ehwia ye to aso a me say opanyin ye wonyum to adwumanim ni din ni nickname no mezina na ahoro sa ni ankasa de jedubli ambule ya dia okopie mu e o GTV breakfast o kan sem bi wo ho na e ma ho apie o se nne na mafo no monyom no enhyeputu because monyom ni na sabi tafa chem predua sama no da boss no pay kwa sem kote waje ase na enyom no aye profane sa na wo se de kunu kwa music video na amutwa no o ma na ma wo so se ya agudie gbugburugu asa abena pokua mu o mo wo so sa enti no enye opanyin akasa wo se nye afi na be so TV anwuma e be kampuntu nwuma asem ne ade eti ho na nkwala so o mo nti ase se nkwala abede o mu ade o papa panyin se kasa utimi ko comment section control se na papa ya ono say woman in front something day and ono say e monyom pay papa ya was waiting day rado zo to ono na e ka sei eti papa me sha no pay dem ye somafo and pay dem ye somafo kwala ni na bo hye mo comment section ase a omo se mpatwa nwuma wo boy ni tinka ye ntie kakra bi na ye hwese de wo ka asem ne fadia na nkwala yi na ka se wusi de be me ya futuo ohun but mo no nkwala yi se panyin ni fia asem to nti wo de ye ka ma mu ntie ohun ba mo so mo ka na eja mo so mo ho na ya na ma hwede ho ansa na ma be kan nti we nyina ye bo ne tofa ha ne adi ne dwumadie no ebesie nkwala no aso papa ne pa wo social social ko comment section ko kenken bi wo be ko fia mpadu aya me panyin a woda no wo bedwam Shamani ma ekoso eja George wo adum kumase me chia too much tell ma and afi Coco King wono so tabre mi Coco pa member Thomas omujina camera echi Master Israel we set Lizzy Twimanim na ni bibi meja mo kwan kakra me de mbehye ma me boatema ensa Sandra Akakme me producer baby a wo bia we are sending you lots of love this morning it's my boat take over I'm out.
Etwaso afia mankwata mokro ye da CP ni nkomo kama watimi ede abreye ye twa nkomo so na meka se enyumakuo bi so na aso ya se okwanso ko se ye mfasa enkomo ye mfambro ye wo Franco Trading Enterprise one Adaroma anafe Safari Tissue for so Adaroma Richoko enso aso emu okwanso nkoso ana Zest Consultant so aso yi mo kwaso nkoso enti hyene nso saa enyumako nan adwoada kopem fiada wo bedwam on Adom TV so one Adaroma ana etimi ede ebro Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa fi na smart TVs ana air conditioners ebia na opebia to a offer sa numbers we 0246 422 338 ana 055 59 39311 now on the Franco Fuakasa. Zest Consult for so go so ka say akwankyere ntete papa o ana omode ma o opeso real estate mu eno achinso bia pese otu mobile adwuma wo ye bi IT ope honim de ne akwankyere wo bebo kwanso so kra ti hye no so opa ye nimdie papa so de atwero so hwa woni bo a woni nyina mu Kumasi ono cultural center honom de chem so ono ben Kumasi airport one Zest Consult for ninkita ho 055 563 163 and that's 050 90 92 2330 na watimi ne wona kasa say nyumeko yi wona daroma ejo ada kopim eye efiada ye de sa bedwem empense me brei e de bro na fe mensan Kyle quickly say about to the notice of the multimedia group. So notice no one here will be the 6 better no 9 nafi odiakoye asemfufo. It has come to the attention of Multimedia Group Limited that a group operating in the name Adom Jobs Ghana is mimicking one of its television brands, Adom TV, and using same to engage in a recruitment process on social media, especially Facebook. The general public is hereby informed that Multimedia Group Limited has nothing to do with the said group and therefore wishes to advise the public against doing any form of business with this said group. Ti munya careful. Only announce obviously Adom Jobs Ghana. Any tracker bia multimedia mukunti to Adom TV. Any tracker bia. Wanya careful obidi 6 ebeda no 9 na afi oba eye multimedia mekomo anu sei abehwehwe eye usika na se bibia waboka nti de hono no eja John also machi na mesa ma ya ko no nuanom eja John sofpenyin True Faith suyanchira branch also ye kase o ma me da form na me ya doma bibia de dana kwam nti no busumia yebesimi 14th of May kwasiada yedne tompem ko twinurase 5 am ekopem 9 am na afi ne ewufu som no ko twinurase na yakopem ne krabia o True Faith Church Cemetery kwasiada krona na asa atena so aye ayi funeral grounds ko twinurase na afi ne juada no abusuya sinkonwa atnas nti emma no de munyina yakọ Daniel Ampadu anane TFC ay bogoso Joseph Ofosu Ampadu True Faith asafo ewo Kumasi Asuofua branch eni mu amaka nyina titru eja John a watchra sofpenya wo munyina ye mamo shedin eni yakọ Covid to atnase nano da no so ko kai ne maame wa Francho Macedonia Presbyterian asafumu 10 years Chronom Kwapra Macedonia Presbyterian okay so Chronom Kwapra Presbyterian church I Macedonia so for the menkan Macedonia the Chronom Kwapra for Presby asafo wonderful family ya chairman nyina sanso na Wamasi Presby
so Presby
yes Wamasi Presby
no Presby
me Presby
me Adventist
Wamasi Presby so paying so bibia be fine o mra no also ya chairman na do pay let's organize akwaba
ya nua
na ho ye
nyamia ye ne dio kana na do de
onyamia ne de wi you don't care about
no it's not true. It's not true.
No, onyamia ni die wi a wo ye soft pain audio onyamia assemdi.
That's right.
That's how
Yamia soft pain.
Hey, he has been ordained.
Sorry.
Are you not aware?
Oh. So Ben because MPP for the yes. Number one, for Fidia, so now man for a Sunday message for Yami or Fulani ni. So what yes, Kaisa and Komodibi. Yeah. Because me 3 years say. Oh, maybe they are not a blood shoe. What is the MPP nibi? Esima Mudu ba me ayere Samira Fulani nida.
No, baby, I didn't know. What has this got to do?
How do you back?
No, my
what is our Makabibda? Meanwhile, one day out and out Fulani ni. But we MPP ni intino. We Fulani ni kura. Nam so MPP ni intia. Okay. I know you want. Two. The Deputy Minister for Education. MPP Deputy Minister for Education. Omuyetu. I'm can't say one. Yeah, well, two. Bema ndio ya since out. Yeah, so for Reverend. Team for you. So for. Yeah. A politician. Yeah. Na dia si kwan ma obu years of oju. Me sure. That no tell you don't okay. O can say me years of one thing yeah. Yeah me. But he's never surprised that in Tifojo it's an osofo. There be. But he's surprised that Yamin and this. He's not aware. It's not about can I go back and give you Chedako comment about me? And you to shock me. Yeah. It'll be shocked. So you and this now is off for the what are you talking about? I don't think it has to do with or no the me in fact me kasama or no the beginning say no one say you have been ordained cry I mean one so I would think the man I am the entire man I am I feel no dey nchire mu atomic bomb one say what atomic bomb oh na ya me better TV so nense ma okenkan atomic bomb nense enye no kre na meka no kre na it would it ya ka so atomic bomb ni hu aye ne sen atomic bomb na tu Hiroshima ne someone bi wo ha say no kre bia nim emu de he na say ya me kotena TV so say ukọ anwan kwanta ho a ye 2 galamsey wa is it not true it's not true go there the machine is still in the water Jansa for na ye Ghana gas project Yami who say machine is so galamsey so this is behind the American one why didn't you go there and video it go there video Jansa for project yes this is the American one what's so a machine in season the machines in so many galamsey can you imagine the Ghana gas no we are careful because Jansa there I personally use that road. Make me who me draw young man in CID Amansia guy. Now me say Maza. What are you guys attempting to do? Because you Benya Branca make no inspection. But my uncle. What? You wanna draw my attention? Or no kind of say Debbie. What are you guys? That's what I said. Who you know? Now if you say no, what came to my mind? I'm saying, hey, who's the last? Yami better than last week. No, me catch you say. Yami who you ni paketwa. What tia sema no abetena. It's not about me see me wo. Now who can careful. Ebia na we na di. Now one who are on the surface me catch this is what are you guys doing? Yeah. I don't see me pop am me enquire inspection do the meeting. Do quite inspection na who say. No my education Jensen to Jensen. And I say okay then. So Yami. Say Yami. So for Yami. Yabeko ho. So for Yami. So we should be careful with some of these things. What you mean is check it. It's not about me. National organizer. Who are there? You can even pick up a phone, call the Mentiasia. Me go no better radio so now can now go nipa ho fin. I don't know man so for there no me yam shame. I don't want some na make anya when this year we now end this. But so for President Mahama so he's one of the finest Christians in this country. President Mahama. Of course, Assemblies of God. One be anyhow. And to me, they say, we are Muslim, we are Christian, and harding. Or may I to me, Yamia Dom,
Adia edibua ye ne say a Christopher ne Muslim for and sebi omo mo nkwa asori nyina e kan bom. Enti so ye NDC no MPP ni de no de nyama. Okay. So but usu ne oban na we na di as a national organizer no entwa kwan.
Oh, problem oh.
Entwa kwan.
Okay, I mean, how are you mobilizing Ashanti region for NDC?
Oh, say propaganda be okuma wo de we am.
Now the BBI you be raise your baby.
Yeah, Obuasi East, me join Obuasi East NDC executives. Echo Muslims no.
Idi Adano.
Fortunately, so MPP constituency chairman so Ebabi. So I had the first opportunity to speak. Nti ekanya mesem kire omo 2 omo 4 omo hu. Then the MPP takes over. Politics in Kwana chairman. At a point, who say Nkremofo say, "Hey, time so kokokokoko." Am I in the intra? And me beka we are na tonto abegin how say we politics.
I mean, don't go there.
And you're not don't go there. Don't go there. Abro mo 500 Ghana cedis on from breaking fast.
What is this?
I know mo say your money say. Until omun deserve 500 Ghana cedis. That's cremoni. 500 Ghana cedis. Me wa ura sorry now 50,000. And they hooted at them. And time no so aka omo 3 minutes you kwaje mic ni free omun sam. Ya kasa as mo say propaganda.
So this is how you are mobilizing Ashanti region.
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
Politics no gas mobilization and no there.
Until we lose election Suban way.
Who lose election
over there? Whole region assurance. Divisive tactics now we use.
We dey need divisive for there.
Divisive tactics in kwana ya mean. Oh, organize adwuma ma me nkyerɛw. Oda ma me nkyerɛw. Na say adwuma wo ye wo adwuma ni.
O dey kyerɛ me.
Ya me ni adwuma na
ni. Ya kakra mfiri wo. Van comedy no.
Because on my so when you say many virus na mobilize some of the biggest youth organizations in the country.
Virus being
unim no
HIV and I say
yeah, I don't know what
further and better particulars. Nyami Adaroma. Happy before you're candidate. Answer your candidate. On the 28th, in fact, for the respect we have for the bereaved family, the Nyami Atun inside Afreno, and Kaye acclamation on the 27th, which is Yawada. But that same Yawada no more 1 week of the late Kumawu MP. And for the respect ye war Emma or more, you move ye danako the Friday. That's the 28th. Now ye candidate in actually. Moving into the constituency. You high hopes of winning the constituency for the first time.
NDC.
Yeah. Because there were a number of things to be to our advantage. Number one, John Mahama Adauruma Kumawu in your hospital. Nanado Adauruma Akamuram. Several calls and wow, Nana. In case we are down because we need your own man. So, own man, union. You need another bit me out to answer. Nana the Minia. In Kanwa want to. Berma, from 2017, and the way Gina buying so sad. Se Kumawu here, Kumawu do baby and Munyam, the CSA are buying the Breno. Constantly, the president has been lying to the Kumawu Hene. Akaho. Kumawu for the past 6 years. Aswansa. Then they know that, look, if there is a buyer or being Kumawu for it can only be the NDC as a political party, no any other. So we bank our hopes highly on that abandoned project. So nim say nyame adaroma Dr. Kwabrandofo Kumawu no free. Bra your finance minister, the development in that area. So Kumawu shares a border with Drobon. So offered Okokwan so offered Drobon.
So of course.
Yes. Is that Drobon? See, a kwanya would Kumawu and its environs na there under the NDC administration. And the Kumawu fu kwany. And ne me no ka say nyame to ne safre MP. Me hu se Kofi Job ne jo shop ni na eka edrimi ka ewura eye Kumawu. Adwedwere kwan no ho. You want to do it. Me ko Kumawu no. Kumawu a say say enti sa na na do nimsi de esi ye kwan ewo Kumawu. And omo twen ma MP wu ya ansa na ye ba. They want to show them. When him said Cobrado for time and he did a friend 3K water project.
Kumawu Konongo and the next K now.
So it's a 3K a year project, water, under the NDC administration. And the sir. So, okay, same way, development we boom. Now the baby wura, the faction in the MPP, as against the diseased MP, and okay, so only say MP no assemblyman Bakra, I see a man to be.
Okay, so just in another 26.
And 26.
So it's dated 25th April 2023. Appointment of a new Chief Justice of the Republic. Really?
She's a very young, well, relatively young. I think about 60 years or so.
I see.
Already posted in Achapa.
Chief Justice Kwesi Yeboah is due to retire from the bench on 24th May 2023. His 70th birthday. In order to avoid a vacuum and ensure that a new Chief Justice is immediately in office after his retirement, I have decided to begin the process of appointment. And it continues. Consequently, I am nominating Justice Gertrude Araba Isaba Tokon, a member of the Supreme Court, as the new Chief Justice. I hereby enclose a copy of a CV, that's curriculum vitae, for your attention. I am fully satisfied that Justice Tokonu, who has been on the Supreme Court for the past 4 years and has been a member of the judiciary for the last 19 years, is duly qualified and eminently fit to discharge the functions of Chief Justice. I will be grateful for the Council's expeditious action on Justice Gertrude Tokonu's nomination so that Parliament may be at liberty to consider it as early as possible during its current session, such that a new Chief Justice will be ready to be sworn into office upon the retirement of Chief Justice Kwesi Inin. Thank you in advance. The Chairperson, Council of State, I see. Back to Kumawu. Yamin.
Yeah.
Where does someone take a position? As members of Parliament, take a position. I say Council of State for then one. Chief Justice appointment. We take a position of Parliament.
Say it na say bedwen ho. Say afi na aba. Ana no so ho asem.
Oh, because say the more express say one person to krubia be down. Enti o yenya ne ntem na yempia nkotu.
It na say yadwen ho wie nso ayi beto abonten.
Bibia mo mane nko sa keke.
David. Ye bobo ho. E bobo. Ye hwe de.
Okay, so Kumawu mo hope ne say mo jiaba no.
Ye jiaba no. Where ye.
Every homeboy no.
Yeah. When a homeboy.
Guy no say no friend homeboy. This is friend.
And next
in the
very feeding kakra.
No friend homeboy.
Yeah.
And do better na fie.
But how do na mo pese mo ko seat difference so sir?
Seat no difference The difference is no kra na encourage ya me yoko no. because baby nipa to abama house na obi adawro ma bro mo hospital be bie kuma woman ni akoduro na waje ama na kangura mu a o se ekwanya beda ho a na yenko ho ne makuma ufuo enhunu aban o mu di nachi adwen papa o fa o ho ani adwen bone o fa o mo so gab no kra na encourage yam yeko we are going to do it. You will see it.
So there will be a change.
You will see it.
Kofi, why not? Say with your papa. In your concourse,
Edi kind. Me there me ya pa ne say. Me by elections ba. Ade ba ko ne catch me. Say Sabiu emre ni nkaso. Na wi asenso aye wo no. Ye wo ye bia no. E say o de ho hye o kese ne nsa. Efi say se nyame amfa kwan mu na ofiri mu a Ghana mra no se ne esitie no oman wa anya careful a emema wa busu akofo kra feel say
ya nwene ho
because we share the speed ya dey replace papa na but sana emra no so ye den etie sana wi asen so etie because yentimi create a political vacuum sabe President Mills of blessed memory, a free one. Adana, then President Mahama, Ebeyoma Benny, and Ariana, Yeswani. Oh, nti futu sema yen ni party through politicians. Akwana ya faso ye niyama. Wentri ne to trust someone. Toda bi ye say ye petumi. This is a reminder. Say the uye nyina no dako. Befruza. Ti abeba busuafo ne yakọ. Opanyin no obesom ye. Oye ne famu de e de boa o man kuma o man ene Ghana man ene MPP party. Enti process ya ye be komu yenye careful. Said you no preji akonwa ne si ho no mpokura no aye den. Oni ho bio. Enti wa wo ba beto aso mfie ba ko ne fa akai. Ena sabi o de be ye to trasem ne akaka bensem da bi. Ti de ye koye bia no ye masa de no eni enim kan na ye hu se kumawufo na ye ba beso won kumawufo so hia mpunto ne nkanko enti wa wo benya akonwa no megidi se we enya de aye asema se ye chi megidi se MPP be sa nya akonwa no na me ya adom ne nya akonwa no se yense ndi kumawufo animu a yen kan hu se osom enti ne baaye se ye be ma omo bre ani omo how ani omo mane no ebetimi ateso amom me wogidie se me nua omo yi ni Ernest me need a full name no but me hwehwe obey adwuma son e de aboa komafo na ya mi ni kasa no on se bibia no ya na omo make argument na omo jatokro e wo mo ho kakra
Ernest ya enim
okay omo jatokro kakra e wo mo on se ne yamin ebo Dr. Dufodi and use Dr. Dufo as the basis why omobe weni komawo nene de Dr. Dufo hu hia o Dr. Dufo party executives are esan ko mu ye responsible hu say ye ko akana na ye si akan a esa we neutral ema obi enya akwanya ya mi betena ha declare President Mahama as the winner.
The same I mean, which my boy got tradition. I said, Morakuni and more a Simo quite. Another boy,
Morakuni Ben,
no, a Simo quite.
So on that kind of
that one, I remember saying is very important. Say the Bay, I go was it.
I'm surprised he's making
their constitution. It doesn't and block no individual. Yes,
oh my, you are doing now. I mean, yet no. Mean onye nipa kuma bi akeke is a national organizer I can't see no mo be kon obedi mu tintimai enti the odi mu tintimai office congress na mo be ko May 13th no why na be organize ya me kan kire me say oni role be to play in it na mo ye nipa sa wi a ene de mo kai se mo hia tumi a sa nipa na ma ye ne sa no na modern be fast when you to me. I mean we are say
campaign coordinator.
President Mahama hospital na obi beja no nwrem. Also omo hospital na omo beja no nwrem. Menti ase. So omo hospital dia. Sanka hospital na ye adwuma. Ebia de na person kan say President Mahama started hospital na wenwie and I yensu ye ba
hospital health minister Omwai. The last time I checked the conversation was that the contractor overpaid by the previous administration 19 million or so.
Okay.
But what has happened with that payment
okay.
As we speak?
We don't know.
We don't know.
Yeah. And I idea see a problem na ye hwemu na ye make sure say hospital I say ko boa omo ti kumawu ene ne mpatamu no ebetimi akwa. But I mean, kai hu say Dr. Dofo unze ni nua ena ye drobon so MP. Unza. And say Dr. Dofo eba eko contest Dr. Kofonia. Unza. Di ehwo na nkasa no sumdie ni busiani. Ede na sabi o man wu nua na wo ba be contest wo. Yeah, some people say Canada. But lastly on this, I mean, water region no stronghold. And so many ni say mu ye bibia ma water region. And so and ye koto aba water region beto ama. Because e bia o mu gidie ni say aban ba anye bibia na obetimi ayeden ayewi. Nti ube gina be ka say ye nye bibia ma kumawufo nwie. Nti omonto aba man na it is a tacit agreement say voter region for ni kwan say omoto aba mamo because munya akwanya no nya bibia na mutimi ye ma omo. In fact they complain of lack of development in the voter region. It is ansem no dey kan ye nyina ye politicians memma to cross our medallion o man me da say
I mean o party see special prosecutor and the police service no won't pick up this matter of Dr. Frimpong Boate's report.
Yeah.
And the name said Frimpong Boate is subject of investigation already.
We investigating what they are.
On one case, in the report on the Abano. President directly said so he's under investigation.
Oh, sir.
Yeah.
But it doesn't also stop us from also petitioning. And
not at all.
Yeah.
Not at all.
Yeah, because you have about
because na munima na
ye nim kra my report number nti yesa na foforo kakwan ya magana fuai. See, the point is that two issues in Andra ID Hong Kong. The investigative piece by Al Jazeera, Alista good a deal na wabo omampenyi na nado danko Akufo-Addo din. Na ochre kwanya faswa
that Nanado is a lawyer. This is Nanado is a lawyer.
Okano mo.
Now Nanado stop law practice. No, I don't think this. We have to look at it from an angle that will help us as Ghanaians. Right. But Nanado is a lawyer. Nanado stop practice. BBI fan wholesales any day we know. And now we can say today the prayer of the NDC is for government in power to fail. Yeah. Yesterday, the prayer of MPP was for the NDC to fail.
There will no prayer any different.
And nunti, you correct idea be cry ABC. You mean because sika ediko amonone come blaster for. Yeah. The same producer is procedure. Igusu the same as on mine. So these are the things we have to look at. But the least thing that we pick, depending on where we stand. Yeah, share the bigger picture of how our PMMC guy say Ghana may ya we are bent on losing through fraudulent means gold at the expense of the country.
Yeah. Okay, so you see the reason why I was a petition.
Of course, the solution to these lapses.
It's now see, topic me and the ma and a press conference in the woman. Now, say me ba me nka say they call parliament in Tiano and ma me
I never said that.
But that's what you have just done. No, uncle. Why first?
Yeah.
The second point is that my boy Alista say na down for na na down ko. What's what the me uncle? Now, if we say an investigation, now how would we come to what you are concluding? Say trivial issues. Oh.
Worrying, not trivia.
You know, of course. So, come on, say, no, but put it anyhow you want. But who come on, a woman at TF when they say, yeah, divert here, then I could be sebi, fast one is one. How do we get to that point that you want to talk about?
So that's the point you want to get to.
So you should be praising the NDC for even bringing out that statement.
So that's the point you want to get to.
That is exactly where we want to get to. Your investigations, so I'm happy you have done my work for me. I was saying, you see, the guy has made serious issues.
Very worrying.
Yet, and maybe or see a friend say, "Well, Bruni." It makes some allegations. I mean, to
damning
me,
allegations.
Very damning. But you're adding. So, as at now, in the minds of so many Ghanaians, divided. Tonto may have a different opinion. I may have a different opinion. But they be anka bold people within the MPP, not even Yenye side, to want to petition. We have gotten to a certain level to understand whether say Ampamamino really have the sound mind. Say the ono can we have gotten to that level. So I think that at this point, Tontonen and Crawford should be praising the NDC. Say, no, this step you have taken will go a long way in clearing the name of the president in this deal. Because the man is not just saying he's down for no. He's saying yes, or in the lawyer number one. He inflated figures, contract. I will know JD Crawford. At the point, he says on your $100 million contract. 80 in the year, 20 no one 5. But the move 15 abra buying in penny for. Aren't we interested in getting to know?
Interest alone.
Yes. At the end, this in riot, tenants in yes. No. Yeah, my Al Jazeera and run it at the end just like that. Yeah, my found 2 more there, so no more run it down the image of Ghana's presidency, Ghana's president, and Ghana's government. And you better 1 more. The second point is Frimpong Boateng's issue. At 2 years, per the report that we have, I bet that table also for 2 years, and it's been quiet. How it got leaked? One issue.
We shouldn't be worried about how it got leaked. I don't know. We shouldn't be worried.
No, but he got leaky and
I'm so we should be worried about the content of the
start from the leakage, you know. And son are worrying about and leaky. I mean,
they had read it from the man himself.
Oh, really?
From the man himself. Or they come out chief of staff now. Because I'm saying the second day or third day.
In what capacity?
In my capacity as a journalist. That time now, the issue of.
So then you can be a source of the leakage.
I've read it in the presence of a third person. Or can say, release it that. If we say, Mamino,
so
investigation on the matter.
Yeah.
I read it. Oh, no, and
okay.
Can cry.
Yeah,
we can cry, maybe.
I know we expose it.
It's not a big deal.
Nobody has been quiet on it.
No, I came to speak about it. And again, even when the thing leaked, I called him. And mom said, the full aspect of
background of it.
Yeah, not background because I read it already. Yeah.
So the point is that 2 years a damning report like that has been kept. Fortunately, somebody being Ghana who leaky at the end of the NDC says we don't just want it to be in the public domain because Frimpong Boateng saying life is at risk. It's being threatened by Nkrofo Yabobo Mudi. Nkrofo so Yabobo Mudi were reporting are giving counter
explanations
any other. The only place that can sort this matter out is to have a bipartisan approach to it. We are saying say CID for your records are indicated as I'm not going to die. We don't want it to die. They say I die for 2 years. Until Parliament should take an interest in this matter. No, omunye adwuma omuye Sputnik V vaccines probe no emu. So they say until Parliament sat down, now Health Minister mu defend this BB. But Parliament tonight you Sheikh know how to return about $2 million or something back to the state. So at this level there, me feel say MPP phone na should be praising the NDC. At least anya hwe kura so yi ota okodu anu eden. It is going to clear a lot of doubts in the system,
especially when names are back up.
That is the point. Internet here, me expect it to so about your politics kura. At least no boy abaso say enra central ade na mo ye no. Enka even a cousin na mo boy na yema buying for bituaka.
I say Samija fin press conference about on your budget. Budget.
Bibia betimi akopoko.
Every press conference attached is a budget.
Exactly.
No, but at least something that you didn't do. Something that will clear the name, like you are saying.
Yeah.
Say you no credit. Yeah. Say pay what me come $20 million free contract. And no credit or smuggle a good. When you say you know what you say, we are doing oil good for oil.
Business. No.
And the only time I buy binya some for swapa is when PMMC4 are the only source of gold in this county. But this man is saying, say, or smuggle out serious chunk of gold. Now, the smuggle out in the Abine cannot do the barter trade system, no, oil for gold, no. And so we should be interested getting to know Kwaben or Fasua with me smuggles are good, no. But the more serious thing is that he is pointing to government, the seat of government. And Al Jazeera cannot just be running that at the end. Okay. And also, Al Jazeera no more press conference. Yeah, listen. To move from there. Then again, another point is that, and I've seen a lot of documentaries why they run. All say crass. But one time when we fear and I'll be with a demo because you are doing some investigation. So I know you. I know. So documentary, no, yeah. Sometimes we hear about 1 hour.
Yeah.
But editorial policy no be the free mo cry the most serious thing. Anything a person parliament international.
I know I say lawyer be MC no ex-military officer. Joy for interview. Omo pushing and say the Professor Frimpong Boatin can just the one thing. But no baby ujina as a lawyer no. Or no so on clients in the interest, you know, or save us when they need come say a free or more. They will come. I heard the say I don't see any baby. I heard them who say no. Then there's more to the Professor Frimpong Boatin the crabby or day.
Yeah, of course, because we hear the aircraft Bontino from another quarters, they are raising issue about Professor Frimpong Boatin Ankasa involved in Galamsey. And by report, some people have issues with that. Yeah. Nebaye known minor in Kagalamsey, known minor.
I asked that question and he said, "Or a legitimate minor."
That's right.
That's what he said.
So that is where the problem is.
Legitimate minor.
That is where the problem is. So we now come Parliament who a legitimate minor is. But I am surprised. He said, "We read the response from Dr. Frimpong Boatin, telling what constitute Galamsey, and if you want to go deep in Parliament at Tenacia, you want to find out maybe on also any operations, whether they fall in that category or not. Eti Sabuhahano and Anra, the NDC through its
kudos to the National Democratic Congress.
That's right.
Kudos.
That's right.
So, it should not be business as usual.
That's right.
You can go further into this. Niente Ekua ebe independent.
And at what point in about CID for 2 years?
Okay.
No multi-million investigations in we will also come out.
Okay. Kovi.
My media and then come ID. Many I mean by adrenaline wa there back. Say yeah politics. Because I'm here in politics meet me evidence be bring aba. I trace President Mahama Mreso they failed. In fact, the minister then, Ayariga, openly said, say, Galamsey as a government, they have failed. And they need to look at new ways on betting they solve the Galamsey issue. It is a politics M1. Until I will separate the politics. Near dispassionate discussion, looking at the patriotic side of it. And then maybe why my main correct in the kakra. Educain. Alistair said, Malistair, what kind of one? In the same Al Jazeera documentary, Also on no President Akufo-Addo kra oni ni twaka bia. That same person. I was say President Akufo-Addo ye ne lawyer. In the end of the documentary, sa can say oni ni twaka bia. Sa person nso wa be ye niema wo Ghana ha as far back as 2014. Ama ya investigating no. And this President Akufo-Addo sebe manu da sumina so onim nyansa mpo a obi a Ghana CID I investigating no and wo representing no and one na ekoye adwuma but unse yami betena hai conveniently waka video ne fa baako and we jafa baako
say ono your opposition member
of course but yeah unse was say main kasa patriotically but he failed to speak patriotically. Because video ni mu nipa o kana asem no approve say our credibility issues ana meboa
uyi na dance no
enye ye fi say ono anipa no say meni Akufo-Addo no ye me lawyer ono anipa no ebe wie no meni Akufo-Addo ni twaka bia tie mongu e mogu atosu bi onim de enti ankofo smuggle gold ade ba ko ese educate Ghana for ne say as far back as 2014 thereabouts there was a reporter na gold akwamon ne 7 billion
2014
7 billion US dollars but the na Ghana ban a recorded when system mu was 3 billion. You see etiefu amutie yen munye discerning nyesa nipa bi di mfutro begu wo mani but the impression is being created as here
and
say God for and na me tie Sami Jemfi. It was so embarrassing. Say, Bawumia, God for oil all year and no na omode year smuggling.
No, but this deal is not this has nothing to do.
That's the point I'm making to you and somebody I'm telling you live on air. Trying to link Bawumia's gold for oil to the smuggling and what is this? This is not child's play. When you crowd good DNA. And you see the submission and according to the Professor Boateng report, according to the Professor Boateng report, even he Sami Jemfi saw say, asam na okan, only nyina suontino no person or recusing himself to avoid the legal liabilities. Into say, enyame na me count, enyame Sami Jemfi na me count, Professor Frimpong Boateng. Etiefu amutie de entia na oye sa ne se ono anim sa asem na wo kan oni nyina so e na ba bi okofa report ni free no only evidence NDC ni evidence bi enti no he needed to protect himself ono Sami Jemfi na o se yenye investigation he was protecting himself from legal liabilities. That is the person who came and stood behind the podium. Ono no ordinary ya hye ni sirem because we slow when him say we diagra ya didn't begina as an India. But just to provide the education, the entire call for smuggle gold and they say you will be your friend withholding tax. A 3% Ghana for be bringing gold are a free Ghana equaman on any Ghana bind the out. That's one education people need to understand. See, I can say gold equa bruchra and your Ghana bind dia. A young cranny adjumakuo gold. I mramo mu kwan so mutu gold. A bit more of course, or more illegal. And I'm running more mu kwan so mutimi this our gold no kwam on ne cotton. Swati I say, I'm running more mu kwan. Now cotton gold in we am running say, oh 30 days, I said sika wo cotton ya wunya no. Udi emu or hamu ebupen edu watching about back to Ghana. And son wetimi aside den I exporting another gold. Son em ranity. Now son na be exporting gold no. Ube twa bibia ye frɛ no 3% withholding tax. Emra na wo hoda dan. No man ye can gold 3% on 7 billion. Enye sika ketwa ho. Enti nipa bebre no apart from other cost or mube twa freight cost, assaying cost, ye can assay kire say checking the purity of the gold. Because gold ni ton the purity. say bia we carrot and now say saa na dey ton gold enti wo the gold be kwa bonti say we checking the purity now reporting now on the export form enti to avoid all the costs associated particularly the withholding tax no enipa be brave smuggle that is the reason why they smuggle gold and yes I buying gold and I Ghana for gold and he smuggle no I more gold now we be tria ho to no and almost smuggle enti they buying here last year and they say I buying revise the withholding tax. You see some of these things nipa be bring tiase. Last year it was one of the major items in the gold industry. I buying revise the withholding tax from 3% to 1.5%.
To encourage people to pay tax.
To encourage ube who are PMMC data. Ube so all of a sudden small girl no reduce the value now more they back a buying a page. There was a time the tonnage never say sanka 1 ton they say buy every month. Na buy be 2 kilos. So example na me dem all of a sudden you free 1.3% they call 1.5 no. Now you see say it is almost a ton no.
Because that was the barrier.
That was the barrier. And obia we investigative journalist. Obia we journalist why na dream say obia na dream matin sem na say no. You quickly realize that in fact Ekufuado's actions has reduced smuggling. But as usual, Ghana, Asemba, you will be a friend of vindicative bias. On my Kwabena Santi example, I say free SHS in yet. And I saw my here be bien send your buyer or vindicated say free SHS in yet. And yet, it is so big of Fabi Biba. On my here Kwabena Santi beto ne boati asiano David because he must necessarily confirm his bias.
Your GDC.
Professor Frimpong Boateng the report about whether that even constitutes a report or not. Who here journalist be because on my way yenya niema kwa I am run a guide on my way. A minister or a former minister cannot just submit a document to the president and expect say the president will act on it. Ghana and Wekesa. It's not reduce you journalist be na the document abroad 2 years. Document, my main can't show. See, a presidential and a ministerial reporter. It was standard at a meeting. Do you know that? My main can't be shown. Or see, it is an account given on a particular matter, especially in the form of an official document, after a thorough investigation or consideration by an appointed person or body. Did you hear what I said?
Appointed person.
Appointed person. But see, after a thorough. Se obeka se. Kojo opon kroma akotena dodowa aye bibi agu hufin. And it turns and now they share so-called report anymore. It turns out says sa dodowa na usi kojo opon kroma akotena ho no. In fact, a Bank of Ghana for na financial education. Omne Primark. I'm a journalist. But I shall report in him. Is that a thoroughly investigated issue?
No.
But and I'm say journalists for him say ya can say a politicians a Kufuado na ye galamsey. So we must necessarily vindicate that story because we now can make assembly am ready na ya ro ho sam ya ho ya a hardwin me money panidin to even validate the point. Sure, asoma will be kind. Or see, Frimpong Boateng's matter is not just a matter of one man's words against the others. Witness credibility matters. This jury knows who to believe. Jury now all can the public. Now, already no ab initio said the Frimpong Boateng can no crew. Or see, or as long as Frimpong Boateng can almost the Frimpong Boateng too, so you're credible.
That basis is not correct.
But even cursory review of the report tells you say
Tokro
bebre. But the vindication bias na make no. Enipa no ewo ni mu say eye se me ka me agitum say Kufuado na ye galamsey. Enti so obi be ka to me de ne so a say satisfy a presidential report. satisfy a ministerial report and family. Do you get what I'm saying? And family because SME go Akufo-Addo anymore say. Otherwise, does this report satisfy the definition I gave you as a ministerial report?
Okay, so
does it satisfy? Clearly, it doesn't satisfy.
My try umbra.
I mean,
you try umbra. You better try comments. Bibia be fine. You try baba. Franco Trading Enterprise Father Roma Bibia Kokama Edema Safari tissue papa EDCC ho and afi Richoko na Zest Consult Safari tissue and no ko just na so petona udidi djuma shronko e ofie na afi Franco for so wakopom iPhone ni Samsung ni Nokia ni on smart TVs ni on air conditions ni bi extra quiet. Franco 4024642238 and 0555 939311 and also download the Franco app now and now call website at www.francotrading.com. Now what team they want at Juma Shonko. Zest Consult also from 05090923330 and 055563163. The only United say open Aquanchana entity and say open so one bow a bra person see na Ottawa Sasi and no chi ebi so na uhianim de ewo car oto ho ana person oton ana person osase so oton sa ne man nyina no one be boa mo etime de hojuma one wo Kumasi Cultural Center de chem so one be Kumasi Airport runabout on miti one enkasa e mari fi se sa nyumekoi Franco Trading Zest Consult Richoko ana Safari tissue as Monday to Friday say yemfa sa enkomo we yemfa emro enti yami adi ana mpese me kan say neno papa G na who I confused
papa G ofrefo amai na me my picky see Dominic minim we say
dey na opeki
wa mama topic no anopa we me wura haya no push am no Dominic we sometimes minim why you do that. Oh, yeah, na moye
contractors dey na be kan wasema.
Anu na me be na busa say Dominic ono wo dwen ho like mo je na wo de ba.
Yeah, dwen ho sa. Say
na wo de ba. Na wo nim say na me ba ha na wo.
Na say asoma de bia oka.
Do we ba. But because my point the last time me ba, you see no correct.
Oka there be wadaroma. Me fa mam so. Wadaroma. O say yentia COVID statement do. Yentia contractor for bia ka. Nam se there be. Enya no correct. Yentia contractor for binumu ka. Nemo enya ni so. We can talk about that. And obia ni also system no me check it what system many obia di gonna so we have to check this one because it's like aban be bia na contractor for no e kabi egugo. Can't we put in a mechanism that will pay
the
off
Chamber of Construction Industry has warned that the government could soon face legal action from a number of its members over unpaid contract.
Very true.
Unpaid. How much?
He failed to.
No, the amount is there.
15 billion Ghana cedis.
Okay. Very true.
15 billion Ghana cedis. Some of the due funds stretch back to 2017, and government outstanding debt contractors has now reached a crucial level of more than 15 billion.
Carry forward.
The last carry forward near 2017. Carry forward near. But you said our program we also. Say you no the MPP. Na you to answer why. Say what you are a can na NDC MPP inherited.
That was the score.
I know you one.
Yeah, no one.
Two. Me catch there was say abine the cat over 15 billion. Or what you have 3 billion. That cannot be an indication say abine to your contractors for. We say no.
Ono asa kana sema we abaya de ka 15 billion.
Yeah.
Abaya to 3 billion. Usi into your contractor for kakri.
And I was telling
you might not appreciate what government has done.
I was telling you, see, aha ne ba ba bedru ha me no de ya kosa anything here wa hai
yeah
my point was not me the information ever
yeah
my point was the contractors need the information and I even read it on online at the mouth and then you have brought it for discussion because contractor for na sorry echo what I said omokan so at that point now we catch them and say I shouldn't bring this issue up your contractor for a can. Why are you bringing it for discussion and then when indeed I buy it to you?
But in America say I buy it to Jessica. Then appreciable. Your statement is different from what is happening. Your statement is that I buy to your contractor for now play back. Abiding to your contractor the last time I'm about is different from abiding to your contractor for car.
I was telling you, and you argue with me. I was telling you that a statement from the Contractors Association. And I'm a call fed that news item be released. So why were you saying men I'm say abiding to your
behind the scenes? You didn't go behind it because you say me near contractor. Yes, but I disagree with your statement that
you can't disagree with me because me quote from the Contractors Association and are you disagreeing with them? Because you're
very good.
Almost see your but you have brought it for discussion.
But your TB, but Cho and I catch us, my first year class. No, it's just my first year class, most Alex Wamiyajuma. Mafa hacho heya mo se contract me here adwuma mafa takrade kwaz mo se here adwuma if these people and yesterday I said it to the minister I'm wondering how these people are working when they are not being paid it's fair obi anu obetima here adwuma because you twa ukawo
and the minister
as we speak now me can know road fund 3,000 cedis as we speak now road fund 3,000 cedis them
yeah they are loan. So yeah, we. Abandon the agilo. It's a collateral for a loan.
Wrap up.
The COVID. But you see, there are contracts. You see, sometimes maybe you follow short in our analysis. I say you did contractors in the area a boom. There are contractors are more working on donor-funded projects. For instance, we call district assembly. Contractors are more here with get fund. Common fund different from DDF because DDF sika da ho we adwuma wi a you don't struggle to get your money.
So your DDF a
GOG project no common fund we adwuma or common fund we abuka ko pay sika dia be but it will be paid according to how effective government releases ever assembly. And before we cassava contractor be a you should first look at
category
the source of funding. These contractors here can was contractors are buying a dinner. So the fact that you see somebody on the Hacho road doesn't mean that a buyer Trianaka. Probably the consultants, maybe either a World Bank project
funding guaranteed.
But a chunk of the people, and the will get fund have not been paid. Be now road fund. The number of contractors you come from road fund 3,000 of them. So those contractors are the ones that are talking now.
SMC Boja fund going to one do a coin fee.
The road fund 3,000 between. That's how bad the economy is.
Could you wrap up? Very clear.
My medicine. My main kind assembly and sure this is the true state of the nation. I see Adom Ketia acquire UPSC.
None there.
Or say the truth is that only an abysmal 1.6% of the total resource envelope of 820 billion has been spent on roads by this government. TNA. Only 1.6% of the total resource envelope of 820 billion. As what can I say? Omo NDC omo calculation yana. Aban we ba abemu from 2017 be see ada na all kasano. sika na aba Ghana ban nsem nyina either taxes either loans ni nyina kabomu a 820 billion Ghana cedis. Out of that amount no emu 1.6% ene ye di aye den aye akwan nyina. Now oman we calculation of 1.6 out of 820 you are looking at about 10 billion Ghana cedis. Utie dey make sure person be see asem so calculation is say 820 sika ekufu ado abanya nyina bosia tax grants ni nyina omo NDC calculation no na emu 1.6 out of the 820 near the aya akwan your percentages now it's about 10 point something billion Ghana cedis. But what they make sure does that make sense? Now we shall report about contractors in this year the omokase 15 billion. One will send this for your truthful. Omo data on the bank. Yes. One will say omo ya truthful. I see doing ketia your truthful. One the data has exposed him. Okay? They be am catch them say mo be more politics na mo ye no. Some of us we take time and listen to the details. Who's that meaning say ye be kind sa nyama we. Anopa na me sumi hu ye. Ye ti ha na bibi trigger me say no. Because when the report came, when the true state of the nation came, I read it. And Obia made me so focused on road construction. I knew they were lying. But Felix Kwachu for sending me dear chinye. Sir, 820 no 1.6%, which is about 10 something. Now 10 something, then you call it 15 billion.
It's not possible.
It's not possible. They are liars. That's what I'm telling you, NDC for. Omo ya true for. And then Yamin, Yamin, abefa sa 15 billion. No, who's the refi no? The refi no so omo koye sa true state of the nation. No, omo kan 1.6 of 820, which is less than the 15 billion.
So what happened?
Now 15 billion no ye kai ye di omo. The children said the ye chia kra nya den and usually the chia over the years and it's more than a kai den e we actually. More than a kai we actually. Because usually we start road at amount 30% and now something percent I would start it. You will be higher yet training in then every where the yen train. It should tell you say if nothing at all, I buy way investment in this 2017 BC. Okay. Bro, the so-called value. And you see, politics are no kind of credit. Joseph Yamin, thank you so much. Joseph Yamin, mon can of credit. Kofi Tonto, Mamena was. Now we are true for the Abba. Abba. We are true for. You've been exposed. I said you can see has been exposed. I am the mama say, oh, I'm with a question. What question? Question because the point is that. What point? What point? You sat on you.